Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody make get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, that's how.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf up with them bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Check. 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3. Wagwan good people, wagwan good people, wagwan gentle people, wagwan gentle people, wagwan gentle people. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Oh, so wagwan, yes, you know this thing, yeah. Okay. Wagwan, what is going? Good evening. Blessings and respect all massive all crew. Bless upon yourself for the know the things.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, I don't feel 200 right now, you know, but you don't know. A juggling have to go on down. And when you don't feel 100, you have to turn up down. But what's about discipline? When you don't feel like it at that time, if you're juggling and things, see it. Anthropology and everything is everything. Miss K, large boy, say purple your favorite color. Big up yourself, man. I like the purple loving people and thing. As me I tell you, spiritually best large up yourself. No man, people may tell them I'm just not feeling well and whatever, but you know it going. Some kind of gang stuff and say, come on, work time, you know. Juggle and thing. I know I said just when I come and I say, boy, just go on, just go through. This person called me upon the 516 number and thing, or whatever. Some of us answered quick, you know. And said she want me advertise a restaurant for my show. So I said, all right, we can't work out something. She said, work out what? I said, we work out something. If you want to promote your restaurant. And she said, no, I just want you to do it. And I say, what you mean? She said, yes, your head just pop up on Nikki Couture store. It's what I'm telling about that something there. People, it's what I'm telling about. You see that something there? If somebody say one thing, if you open a door, what going to happen after? Right? So she see me, you know, what Nikki do. She called and I said she want to promote something. I said, we work out something. It's a business, man. We work out something, right? And think, no, she said, no. You see, you just pop up on Nikki's store, somewhere pop up on my restaurant and whatever, and all them thing there. So I just, you know, right away she piss me off, you know, so I just kind of diplomatic said, no, darling, it don't work like that, you know. I just don't, you know, me do what me want to do. If me want to go somewhere, me know why me I go that place there. See? So she said, oh, so you can't miss a struggling this and that, and she start giving me the sad story and thing. And I say, yeah, me I struggle too. And whatever. Look how much degree you have and look how much so and so this you have and you get your bus already and you can't even do something. And you know the guilt thing, the gaslighting thing now, come in now, you know. Got the entitlement thing there, you know. Me supposed to. Mark, you know, this woman she not call Andrew own this or Donald Trump or this or that, my food or this or that, Issa or what. She not call them people, you know. And say, no, you're supposed to come turn up. But there is something about somebody like a Raga who she have access to. Something about somebody like a Raga who, you know, she listen to and, you know, yeah, you know, you supposed to do it, Raga. But in a fear world, in her sphere, she not go call certain other people and whatever, you know, because it's not even part of her mindset for reach out to them other people. But the people who you're supposed to cool with, who come from where you come from, who, you know, who make there's a degree of accessibility in terms of when me I do. Me supposed to. And if me I give some indications, so me not do it, then you hear all these little things start coming now. I say, you're free great. Or you finna for do it. And you see some want to rise and you stifle me and me I keep her down, you know. And I saw it go, man, you have them people out there, you know. So the one little thing, the one little pass through, you see me make over Nikki Couture's store. Me supposed to do it. I say, obviously not think it through, you know. Because you have thousands of people out there now who have them little business, so I'm supposed to do it for the thousands of people, them. Right? Because and I'm not do it for the thousands of people, them, then she have a special, don't. Right? So I said to her, I say, you ever call him by my show? No, but me listen, yo. I say, oh, I feel it. Well, me not really listen, you know. And my sister tell me, oh, so your sister, so you not really listen, my show, your sister tell you. Yeah, because my sister listen, but me going to listen you now, man. Don't even bother ask her if she's a subscriber, because if she not listen, then, you know. But these are the people, them out there, but it's again, you know, I mean, I just try if I just hold on my local ranking face the side, you know, because me send them up, you know, man. You know, me have the part there, me. You understand? But when the thing again, you know, me telling her with them people, yeah, is like, they must see somebody, you know, a down-to-earth, salt-of-the-earth person upon, you know, upon social media and thing and whatever. And because you're down-to-earth and you're easygoing and you know, that's something that familiarity breeds contempt. That's something there. It's like, yo, I identify with you more, you cooler, right? I feel closer to you. So because I feel closer to you, you obligated. And then people, man, will come tell you, say, Melissa, you sure? So you're supposed to do this for me. You know? 10 million show out there, you know, them choose to listen to your show because them I get a benefit from with somebody like me I produce. So them I get the benefit, and them self-absorption is so pronounced that they will choose to go to a source for a benefit that they want and that they are getting, and then turn around and flip it and say, I am getting this benefit from you. This is the absurdity, you know. I chose to listen to you to get a benefit for myself. And after getting this benefit for myself, you owe me. You see the sickness? You never call them, you know. You don't know, you don't even know them. Them come to you because them I get something from where you are put out there. And even though them I get the benefit, it's almost you must pay them. You owe them something for them come to you for get a benefit, but them get the benefit when them I get from you. You hear them think that kind of, as some mad people them there, you know. But you see that's something that I tell you, like when a door open, you know, the whole of them come in and the chat look weird today. Now what TikTok look? It's like all the names look, how many people over here? 483. Unless a beer ain't named over here, you know. Unless a beer subscriber over here, which is good. That's why I'm telling a big up, I'm telling her, say, yo, subscribers, man, blessing up, you know. Right? I want to make this thing happen. Big up all subscribers and thing and whatever, because when somebody has subscribed, yeah, when I get the show, but me so uno as supporters, yeah. So I uno me a big up and thing. Anyway, me have a quick mix-up phone in, and then me just want to call in and just send a mix-up right away. You see, like me tell you, say me not feel too well, right? Me have just a headache and all these things and whatever and thing. Me just need for sleep and rest, man. And things, seeing. Andrew Perry, big up yourself, you know. Seeing. large upon yourself. So me I go just open it and I just come in, we don't mix up them. But here that one, you know. I let me tell her the person who I tell me mix up on my sister, you know, but she not move right. Well, I don't even know. Uno tell me one thing about it. Uno tell me one thing about it, but you know, I want them thing there. But here the 100 you know. Here the 100 you know. So goods are getting married, right? But the person who should really want for married, him no want married. That she saying because she bring it up to him and him say, nah, him not married. You know, kind of in the street, man, or whatever. Then she have a man now who treat her good. Him treat her better than the one where she was married for, you know. I'm a sister, you know, but listen to that. So she have two men who she did a juggle with. And by the way, I get permission to say this. I always ask. So she have two men who she did a juggle with, see? But the one where she really, him not a marrying type, the man there in the street, bad boy sitting and thing. But other one she really love. But she like the other man, right? She don't want me, she don't like when me say it, but me tell her she don't want to say it, so whatever. But me love them the same. And whatever. She said she feel like it's two different love, but she love them with the same amount. BS. It's bullshit. And whatever. But me tell her, I said, no. The man who you got married, your backup man. She don't want me to say that. I said, but what? Yeah, I said, enough woman are sound a juggle. Woman always a thing contingency. Woman always a thing backup. Woman always a thing backup. Woman always think about backup. So I say, your backup man that, you got married your backup man. But me not say you don't care about your backup man. And your backup man, you got married. So I said, no, you say any other, Mr. Man, they say him want married right now, you fling with the backup man. And that you say, yeah. But I mean, that means, but I still like them the same, but it's two different love. I say, all right, knock yourself out, think where you want it. Anyway, so the man where she got married now, him treat her good, you know, give her anything he wants, you know, him having dirty money and all him something there and whatever and thing. And according to she, him swipe better than the bad boy swipe. But she said the bad boy swipe, him go on with the gangster something when he must, you know. She said the bad boy swipe, you know, but him not really 100 pound the swiping. But him have a gangster way if he make love to her and whatever and do him thing and whatever way. She said, but the man who she got married now, him swipe turn up, she said. Him start out good enough, but him swipe turn up. So the man who she got married door, him kind of shake it too. So him, the chat look different. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what TikTok though. For some reason the chat look, I don't know. The chat look weird. Did something change? Like aesthetically, it just look weird. Me no know. Kelly said the chat looks the same to us. Me no know. Must be true. Me no feel well right here. No one thing. I work. Raga, you remember your friend them at the police station and Moby? Oh, you mean if I remember them, big up my Freeport people them. Oh, you mean, am my people them, the man Petrina and the whole crew, I want me to you. Oh, you mean. Anyway. So, him now, the one who she got married now, him ask her, say, if Femme X, who is married, him ex who is married, him ask her if Femme X can come the wedding. She said, no, I disrespect that. And oh, if you ever bring that up to me and whatever, me no want your ex come on the wedding. And him said, but she's married and we're not together and whatever, you know. It's just that, you know, she, you know, we had discussed like any we separate if either we would have been mature enough to go to the other person's wedding and thing, and we had both said yes. Sir. She said no, she not go comfortable with that. She not want the ex at the wedding. So I'm say, all right then. That's why I made it ask you. Because if you say no, then I know. When him ask her that, the same, remember I said wedding plan and everything already, you know. The same night, them in one different country. But the same night now, she called Mr. Man, the street man, and said, me need to see you. And he must say, hey, me up on the road and whatever. And she said, no, me need to see you. And then he must say, all right, you know, when you want to see me. She said, this evening me want to see you. And him said, Ray, all right, meet me so. And she said, no. Me I get a hotel and me I tell you the hotel and you come see me there. And him say, oh, for real, I saw it go. And she say, yeah, good get a hotel, expensive hotel too, you know. And get the hotel and thing and Mr. Man go over there and him say, what go on now? And she said, John, no, me just want you. And him say, I saw it go. And him say, oh, all right, boom. And then put on a piece of dash out in the people in motel. Right? Her meds to me was that, yo, from fear people them come call and from fear people come ask her if him ex can come the wedding. She said, right away, that disrespect the reach her. It just makes you just have to go F Mr. Man there. I'm saying, you know, say, right now, you sound like a mad woman. You sound like a mad woman, you know. When you mean you just have to go if you had a man where you did have whatever. Because she said the disrespect. But me I say one way you could have look on it is that the man did just upfront with you, you know. Me no know about that ex something there, you know, but at least him come talk to you about it and then you say no and then him say, all right, since you say no, it not gonna happen. Yeah, it not gonna happen, don't. So him talk to you about it. Him never spring it on you and after him talk to you about it, him never tell you say, yo, it have to happen and whatever. Yeah. She said, no, just the disrespect alone. She said she not tolerate that disrespect there alone and whatever. So she said, that makes she go dash out and whatever. Then she said she changed the hotel where she go stay at the day of the wedding because she have links at the hotel there and whatever. And she want Mr. Man, Mr. Big Body in the street man. She want the man there to come at the hotel on the day of her wedding because she want she and him to do so on the day of her wedding. Her words, you know, in her wedding dress. She really want hotel, you know. And she changed go on one different hotel where she have links, you know. Because she want to make arrangement for sneak him in. There is some kind of, I don't know. There is something going on there where basically she want to sort out with her bonner man. The man who she would really want to marry, you know. Who the man who she married don't know about, you know. But she want to sort out with her bonner man on her wedding day, in her wedding dress. She's explicitly said she want to do it in the wedding dress. Why you don't want to do that though? Like, why? And she said she's going to get married, but she want him to know, say, is him she really love and she will always love him. And she just want him to know that she want a memory there so that in time, if anything for come up, she can say to him, say, listen, why you think me sleep with you on the day of my wedding, in my wedding dress, is because I love you. Right? That is fear meds and whatever. I don't know. You ever hear the term about mad people in a clean clothes? You ever hear people use a phrase, Jamaican use a phrase, mad people in a clean clothes? Because I mean, you can look on and say, yo, that F up on thing, but apart from it being F'd up, right? Apart from it being messed up, there is something going on there when a 200, you know? Something not going on there when a 200. And then at the same time, it could just be, yeah, that's just who she is. And she not sick or nothing, but she's just self-serving and intentional and know exactly what she wants and what she want to do. And this is just her version of what a lot of women do. A lot of women do cost-benefit analysis and them wear and them have, you know, me no know, you know, them two, yeah, me have to choose and whatever, and, you know, some women choose, someone want Leggo, some woman this and that and whatever. A lot of women have their version of it, you know, so this might just be her version, which is, we could reasonably say, is considerably extreme and unusual, right? Because, and me feels like I touch a little bit, but then I must just touch. You know, she can't just, nothing wrong with her. She just know what she do and what she can't get away with. Right? It wouldn't be the first. You have people who do that. You have men who make woman iron them clothes and thing, and after woman iron suit and this and that, them put on the same suit and go marry somebody and the woman don't know. Right? Me know, you remember the woman who, the man get a taxi driver for her man, her husband to be, get a taxi driver for her. She end up she and the taxi driver go and be a dugu. Pon the day of the wedding, while she in the limo and the same driver and use and whatever, right? She run it pon him in the car and come out and get married. So you have people who call them there with different thing, you know? Right? Some people just do what them want to do. Them don't care. So it must be that she's sick. She probably just want to do what she want to do. I don't care. You know? Probably there's nothing wrong with her. Me if you say her head touch, but probably nothing wrong with her. Lanoy says she's a Leo. You know some I don't know, but I wouldn't be surprised because that's something a Leo would do, you know? Leo people don't come for me. By the way, bombard! You know, I need to take two. I don't like take medication, you know. I love ride it out, you know. I need to take two Tylenol or something. G's and peace. Look what everybody happy. Let me tell you something I feel well, but everybody for happy right you know. Everybody for happy. Everybody, we in a happy season right now. Happy season right now. G's the one time of the year where all the zodiac sign them happy. The one time of the year where all the zodiac sign them happy. It no matter if you're Taurus, if you're Libra, if you're Saggy, if it no matter you're what? Cancer, Aries. This is the one time of the year when all I wanna happy. Virgo season. Not only Virgo season, September in the place. Bombard! I know the whole I wanna happy. Virgo season. All of my Virgo people them walk out and stamp on the right foot and just like, hey, listen to me. All Virgo people stamp on the right foot right here now. Our time now, and when our time, everybody happy. Whatever dream chaser, whatever. The whole of them happy. Virgo people don't pay them the mind. Them can't help but happy. Remember, you know, Virgo are the only sign we actually have a human there, you know. Yeah. Right. The whole of them are something else. The whole of them are ag and goat and all these things and whatever. Yeah. You understand? Right? I want to give thanks away. Virgo people in at the place. Nikki Couture, big up yourself. Right? At our time now. And Tasha just come in. See the watcher. Virgo baby. And yes, man. Virgo time now. The whole world happy now. Everybody happy now. Because when it's Virgo season, everybody happy. When the other season, on have ups and downs, Virgo season, everybody happy. All right. Yeah. Okie dokie. Pinocchio. Virgo sees upon them case. Mad something down. G's and peace. Who happy so? Yeah, man. Hold on. Philip Cook. Philip Cook. Which Philip Cook that? Philip Cook. I'm a general that. I'm a college party that. Philip Cook. Mr. Philip Cook in the chat. Which Philip Cook that? Is that my general? I'm a Vasa general that. People, I'm a brother that to them, man. Philip, what you do over here? Bombard. I'm a real boss that to the people. Philip, big up yourself, you know. People, I'm a G that, you know. All right? Right? I'm a real G that. Okay. Philip, big up. Philip say me I watch you all of the time. I never know say I watch me, Philip. Big up yourself, man. Respect, man. People, I want a real one that, you know, man. I want a real one that, you know, man. Yes, what I say? Yes, man. Hey, you know, me rate all Philip for. And Philip, when I just go Vasa, Philip, I know about Ph.D, you know. we went to college a long time ago, right? You know, him graduate. Philip, at 92, you graduate, right? I mean, graduate 93, right? But I Philip, I know about Ph.D, you know. Young people don't know what I talk about. But Ph.D, you know, Ph.D. Marie Williams, a September 6th, you born me, and you see him, share the same birthday. Remember, say September 6th, my birthday, you know. My party is on September 20th. Bob say, yo, Paula and Petrina send earrings. Paula and my mother and the rest of the people. Wow, Paula, your mother, wow, big up yourself, man. I love them people that don't from Freeport police station, man. I want to tell you, man, like family, you know. Yeah, so people, you have a lot of rappers and thing, them love the Jamaican thing for a long time, you know. So enough of them after, I don't know about enough of them after the Fat Joe and all and them people and thing, but, you know, Ph.D was one of the original, you know, because Ph.D are one of them American rapper they were. When him going a Jamaican thing, you just hear the Jamaican in him, you know. A famous song him all do with Super Cat. Bad piece of tune. But it's Philip make me know about Ph.D. And then from the Ph.D, you know, it just segue into a whole bunch of rap people them who no found no know poor righteous teachers and all them something. At them time they, you know, yeah, Ph.D was born in Jamaica. Okay, at them time I just know about Queen Latifah, MC Light and all them, you know, Big Daddy Kane and all them rapper there and all them. Well, no, nothing about that. I just telling you say I'm a brethren Philip, but then me and Philip start par. That's two Jamaican in our place, you know. And him a real youth. Them man they centered, you know. Right? Them man they no stushy and go on certain way and go and punk out the thing and whatever and thing and see it. And then when me I go to Vasaka, when boy did there Vasa boy, why people, let me tell you something, man. Vasa College, when me go Vasa College, at the first place me go when woman just come up to me and give me pum pum, you know. Me never, before that, me have to work for my pum pum them before that. Yeah. Me did have to work for pum pum before that. Right? Work hard, lyrics, girl, ray, go round, come round, jump fence, this and that, all kind of something I for go on with them there, Augustown and all them place to forget pum pum. You know that something there, that Jamaican something there, you have to work for pum pum them before that, you understand? Yeah. And I when me go Vasa, woman come up to me, hey, people, let me tell you, make Philip tell you, when me go Vasa, me dey on crutches. Right? Me tear all of the ligament in my left knee. Tear up all of the ligament in my left knee before me go for, the summer. One little white boy, one little, my work at one camp named Camp Joel. And one little boy, go tell me about that. They tell me they don't even know about this American thing and the racism and thing. And he never mean nothing about it. He was 9 years old. And the little boy said, you can dunk. And I said, what is that? Him said, dunk. You can dunk the basketball. And I said, no, I never do that. Here the little boy say, yes, you can. You're tall and you're black. If you're tall and you're black, you can dunk. Everybody who tall and black can dunk. Dunk the ball. And they say, eh. And him say, yeah, man. This 9-year-old boy I tell me, And I say, so how you do it? Him say, just run up and do it. You're tall and dude, you're tall and you're black. If you're tall and you're black, you can dunk. I say, all right, how you do it? And people know, say, make a little boy gas me up. And run, go up and fly up and thing, People, me don't even reach up at the help. People know say me don't even reach up at the rim. I remember when I go to boom and when I come down, but me crack, and think, mash up your wall of my knee, Yes, man, ambulance and beer sitting, man, and all them something, man. Mash up your wall of my knee, I remember when I down there and I think, a little boy come on me and say, oh, it looked like you were right. You couldn't do it. No, you didn't do it. You didn't even reach the rim. What happened? So I lit my one lick him down. But anyway, material of the ligaments in my knee, get mashed up, beer pain, surgery, arthroscopic surgery and all kind of thing. This is in the summer, before me for going to start college, So when me go start college on crutches. And then, and then time that them start do that something they know where, really have a cast, like the white cast, You have these things where, these kind of metal thing in your knee, all both and all them something there, whatever, And then one something over it and thing. But anyway, me dead upon crutches, but true, me go upon crutches now. One woman who did a run housing, she named Faith Nichols. She said, all right, we're going to give a single on the ground floor. At that time, I didn't even know that it was a big deal to get a single. So she said, I give you a single on the ground floor and one dorm named Noise. Noyes. Noise. That was my first dorm at Vassar College. A single, me alone in the room, on the ground floor of Noise. So people, know, so when me get Vassar in our first week, me lay down there because remember say me mash up, and me the pan, And it's a knock that pan my door, And I say, come in. Carolee big up yourself. I say, come in. And when you come in, nice piece of woman, man, set right, cock up, full of shape, and thing and whatever. And she dressed in a weird way. She not gone too far if you say she careless. But she not gone on the other side if you say she not look good. Just right. Jeans. She have one top that accentuated her upper positives and thing, nipple, well this and that, and whatever. So when she said, and she opened it, I said, come in. And she leaned in and she said, hi. So I was like, hi. And he said, no, I just would stop by and to say hello. Okay. Hi, hello. Can I come in? Yeah. come in. My girl, come in and lock the door, man, and thing and whatever. And I said, cause you have me look at desk. Me did have a white name there. But anyway, me have my desk, but me there on my bed, you look a single college bed, And I said, sit down. And she introduced herself. And she said, yeah, she saw me, she see me from a come and whatever and thing like that and whatever. And, she see me growing from my crutches. And she said, what happened? I'm going to tell her what happened and thing and whatever. And she's like, oh, whatever, this and that and whatever. And we did there, talk. And then we did have one thing named, something named BSU. So the Black Student Union. So them did come over, BSU people, and they come over and do and look at something for introduce to the black student. Them and see, and she said, I was standing near you, we were talking to somebody, and you were really funny. You're just really funny. And I said, well, I'm gonna construe that as a compliment and say thank you. So me start with my little lyrics thing, right? You know, and I turn on my charm to, you know, cause what's going on here? This lady just knocked on my door and come in. Remember, you know, me wasn't a face boy at Jamaica. Me telling all the while from me there at Jamaica, me have to work for my thing. Me now want look at crew and thing, and the good looking boy was Gary. Woman never draw for me. You will go out with Gary because if we meet a crew, the pretty girl in the crew, I go for Gary. And the other girl, I'm going to feel some sense of obligation for talk to we because we are par with the hot boy, which is Gary. Me was never the hot boy. But always popular, doing well known anywhere me going. But anyway, so she come in, but she then we are reason and attack and whatever, and then, you know, but me notice that she a guy in the conversation. So, you know, kind of say make she lead, you know, make you see where this is going. But she not lead in a obvious kind of aggressive way, you know, it's a kind of, so me not see her, me play along and thing and whatever, and then she attack and go until the conversation, and she's like, I like you. And thinking, I said, oh, thank you. And you know, I like you. You have a thing about you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that and thing, you know, whatever. So I don't know, man, I know, so that she like me, you know, so, you know, she just come for tell me, say she like me for see what can, you know, really. And thing, whatever, and she say, you know, I find myself that I want to be with you. Okay. Yeah, like no. People, you, I don't think you don't understand what I'm telling you. I'm not afraid of telling you, I'm an old man. You know when you're going to school, you have your little girlfriend will like you or you will like them, but you don't do nothing, you don't think of nothing. You know when you're in a school, I come up from primary school, all-age school at Jamaica, yeah, you don't even know what to do, right? And then them days when you know, them time they come up to, for we, them time there, if you hug up, you had sex. If when you kiss, you had sex. For we, when you kiss and you do your Hollywood kissing, for we, them time that was sex. Yeah, bust up the gums. That was the time. Yeah, man, bust up the gums, them, you know, you see me? And whatever. That was sex, you know? So you never really have that something there. Me never have that something there when a woman come up to me, you know, with later years, me get used to that with the Ragashanti thing, you know. Woman will just come up to you and say, Raga, you know, some more if you want one half a regular thing that Jamaica woman them not play that way there for a long time. But me I say at that point, me never experienced something there yet. So me never have a woman who come up to me and hey, whatever, can I come in and whatever? Oh, by the way, I want to sell you out. So me not tell a lie, me the kind of shake a little bit, you know, come here and say like, what you mean? She said, just so? She's like, yeah, you know. So, but me say, you see my foot, you know? I'm thinking, she said, no. I already thought about that. And my foot broke up, you know, my left foot broke up on me in my bed, you know, my girl said, I already thought about that. Don't work it out and match it out already, you know. Yes, man. And my girl doesn't, take her jeans and whatever, this and that. Yeah, man. And my girl does go some boom and catch one foot on the side of the bed, you know, because she don't want earth up her foot, you know, man. You understand? And just raise over the other foot, you know, and hold the top of the bed, you know, man, and bounce it off, you know. And the foot never get no problem or stress, you know. But the general get fully satisfied and whatever and all these things and things, yeah. And shell that out and thing and girl full of skill, you know, because she have that something there. She have that something there where a black woman, of course, no. She have that something that she hold the bed and whatever. So she over 1 foot upon, you know what that style? 1 foot upon the ground, but the other foot over the bed, and thing, whatever. And she over so and thing, and then I bounce it off, so and I whine it off. Boy, in the heaven and thing, of course, and the breast them flinging on your face and beer things and whatever. No. And all the while she did and goods know for do it, because she know for come up on the edge and thing and curl it up, and then sink it back down and thing and come up and then dry it and then slant it and then wind it. So she know the something them. She know the something them and thing. Bad girl something. You understand what I say? And thing, but all the while right through it, me I say, what is this place? Me I say, what kind of place this? And what kind of place this? You understand? Yeah. And she don't do a reason and thing and don't do her thing and whatever and thing and whatever. And she said usually she should have beard right after, but she don't want a suspicion and if she go beard. And I said, no man, that cool man, I feel no way about that man and thing. And my girl was neat up back herself and thing and she remember she take out one little buckle. But the buckle have no label upon it, And buckle on a label upon it, and when she put on her jeans, she go pss, 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 and then just put on her jeans. Never ask, I just I don't know, probably that buckle did, if any little lingering smell down there, or whatever she sprayed down there can probably. And I don't know, say after that. You see, she them did have one religious group, one church group. And I know, say she did big in the group. I want to lead them vice president for the religious group and thing. And at them, them always talk about virtuous living and all them something and whatever and thing like that. Bad like yours. You see, that was Vassar College. So when I see Philip now, me just again, that was my introduction to Vassar College. See Philip there. You see from there, so me writing, man. Me I tell you, say boy broke way, man. Broke way. Maroon, me wanna mix up there, Okay. Broke way, boy, broke way, man. Me I tell you, man. I mean, Philip did see some of the thing there, man. Vassar was a place where I never have no lyrics, I never have to draw, I never have to work hard like what I used to do before at Jamaica. I think, woman never see me and want nothing to do with me. Them days, I have to find lyrics and all them sitting there, whatever. Vassar first introduced me to that something there. Yeah, Daniel, yeah, I ain't falling for shit. So Philip, the man, I'm a general man, me I tell you, man, and then, then I know, say, make Philip tell you, then after a while, Philip didn't have one thing named TA, right? You did have the terrace apartments and the THs, which is the townhouse, because Philip, a bigger man for me, Philip, no, man, he wasn't 92. Philip, you was 91. Me was 93 and you was 91. That's a Philip. Philip, you was 91, right? Let me see. 91, exactly, because here I know. You know, I say Philip, they live in a 198. But Philip live with 4 women. Yeah. And at least 2 of them was Jamaican. We not call no name at this point. No name not go call at this point. Yeah, at least 2 of them was Jamaican. Now, say, I remember telling me a freshman now, And them are bigger age now, them are senior, them yeah. And them time, me just say, cause the senior them not nothing to do with the freshman them and whatever. But me see one round up one in a Philip damn Her name now go call. Right. Now me say round up Jamaican woman, round up Sierra shots one time. Say she exercise and when I tell a girl I carry a piece of weight, the anyway she squat for people, she have problem to come up back. And think. I tell her, she must step to her with confidence. All you mean? I make she know, so, like, you know. Yeah. I end up there with her right out, you know. So true me there with her right out, but them time me a bad same way, you know. Me never, and she's living at the same house with Philip, right? Raga loving the purple. Tell me, am I seeing your skin? Yeah. That one little, yeah, her skin. Yeah, but true shit. Philip, Guyanese and Jamaican. Well, Philip, oh no, a 4-room did in the TA, right? A 4-room or 5, Philip. 5 people or 4 people did in the TA. Me know about 2 Jamaican and me know the other person who is O, for her name start with O. Me know she Caribbean linked, but me don't know which Caribbean. 4-room, okay, so yeah. So it was 2 Jamaican and the other one, the Guyanese, okay. Yeah. So true me go there with one of Jamaican now and thing and whatever. I sit now. And Philip, you know, me never, you know, me no want Philip, me a body, you know, so me I say, yo, me no want Philip see me a go on with the thing, them, you know, whatever. Me you know things say me a outsmart Philip and whatever, you know. One day Philip say, yo, big man, me know where you go on with, you know, but my housemate, them are my housemate, you know. What go on with you and thing, that is not my business, you know. So I just want you know say, she not gonna hear nothing from me. I'm a good man. I'm say, oh, for real? If I say, yeah, man, I'm a good man. Phone business is phone business. What you do and whatever, you know. So, me not gonna carry no news to her or nothing or whatever. I say, oh, all right, cool. And from this, man, people we are talking about the 90s, you know, early 90s, you know, come up, you know. And from this, we have been friends, you know, right through college, come right over. We will not talk for years or whatever, and when we link up and thing is like brother same way, you know? You know, real youth, man, me I tell you, man, proper youth, man, you see it. Solid too, and them man, them time I just learn the black consciousness thing and whatever, and them man, him and my next youth named Cleon, right? Them man, you know, them man, they did verse and understand certain things and thing and whatever, and them man, they start teach me certain things, and you know, you come up from Jamaica and you know the streets and whatever, but you know, the movement and you know, in terms of black consciousness and if you understand it from an African American perspective, I didn't. Yeah, man, and people like Philip and Cleon and Stacy and them people they teach me the something of them. And then Philip thing now was that him did really into the artists them who are carry the message. So as I Philip make me know about the artists them who carry the message from an African American perspective, you know? Yeah. And them time, you know, the black people them did have a BD and Renee and she start manage the mug on a Wednesday night with them end up a call it Black Night. And so we start go down there now and bring in a Jamaican vibes down there and I beat down the wall and beat things. And when I tell you, it was just fun and front. Fun and front back in them days, man. Philip, good for see you, my brother. Good for see you, man. Blessings, man. Yeah, man. Real bridging that, you know. Every now and then we link up, you know, different people and we link up and Philip, why do you ever go up at Triple AVC and you never did there, you know? But Tyrone, Stacy, the whole crew, they did a clear and everybody, you know. But, you know, so we're going to link up the next time, you know. African American Alumni Association, Triple ABC, Philip Cook, anytime, anybody, nobody even try to disrespect my brethren. You understand? I'm straight work. Anyway, people, big up on themselves, you know. You may tell me something, I never feel well and all them something there. I'm just push myself and say, yo, come do the show, man, and things. So, I'm going to that wedding mix up there with Miss Lady and sitting. Boy, I don't know where I'm going. But anyway, we open the thing right now. Look, we see test back wedding mix-up topic and see what gonna happen with that. See if we don't have any wedding mix-up. But if we don't have any other thing, you know, just give me a link and thing and make me know any other mix-up one you know about there and thing and sitting with there, yeah? We are juggle, right? Juggle, we are juggle. See it? Maroon, you say you have a mix-up for me now. Send on, forward. Let's see what I go and start bringing up. Hello, greetings.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yo, sure, what's up?
Hey, Raga.
Hi, sir. What's up, boo-boo? Sure. You know what I'm saying, boy, you're very generous with your laughter and your, you know, your jovialness and thing like that. You know that, don't
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
Raga, how was your weekend? Did you enjoy your weekend? How was your daughter's birthday?
It was awesome. I took her to see Lion King and she was just so surprised or whatever. She's really into theater. And I took her to see Lion King on Broadway. She almost lost her mind. And she had so much fun. And then I took her to dinner. And her birthday was actually today, you know, but we did that over the weekend. And then today I took her, we did Olive Garden today and all this stuff and whatever, and they sung for her, the whole works, and then we put her on a little birthday badge and all this stuff and whatever. So it was all about Jitty Boo for the entire weekend, you know, and her birthday, you know?
Oh, I'm so happy that she enjoyed it. But she's 5 days before you. So that was your birthday present.
Oh yeah, I was kind of hoping for her to be born on my birthday, but yeah, she came. Is it 5? I think it's 4.
4? Because wait, you're the 6th, right?
Yes, and she's the second.
Oh, today's the 2nd. I thought today was the 1st.
Yeah, today's the second. Yeah, today's the
Okay.
second.
Aw.
Yeah. So yeah, my birthday is Saturday, and her birthday is always 4 days before. But it's all about her birthday, you know.
Right, yeah.
It's
You
all
know,
about
you and my
family.
mom shared the same birthday. Hers would have been the 6th too.
Oh, okay. Oh well, okay. Well,
Right?
I don't mean to sound arrogant, but I think your mom, based on her birthday, she would have to be a nice person, you know.
He was a nice person.
Yeah. Mhm.
He was a nice person.
Yeah, September 6 people, they're nice people. I don't mean to, I'm not bragging, I'm just stating an
Right,
objective
right.
fact, right? An
Right. That is a
objective
fact.
That is a fact, okay?
Right.
And you dare not say your mom wasn't.
No, she
Okay, she was.
was an
Okay.
amazing person.
There you go. Blessings to her, man. Blessings to her. You know what I'm
Raga, you
saying?
know purple is my favorite color?
Stop.
No, I'm serious.
Like for real? Like for real? Yeah. So what's going on here then?
It
You
is
know?
today.
Yeah. So what? What do you say? Purple is your favorite color today, right?
And whatever color you wear tomorrow, that's gonna be my favorite.
Ah, boy, listen to me. Yes, you have that little sarsaparilla amount there. Yes, your mouth sweet. Yes, you're full of lyrics. Yes, you have that little sugar amount there and thing and whatever. So when you say purple, your favorite color today, don't?
Purple is my favorite color today. I was like, okay.
And if I wear,
Is it silk? Is it see-through?
yeah, it's see-through-ish, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a
'Cause I can
little,
see through it.
yeah, there's a little sheer thing going
I
on.
see it.
No, but check this. Like,
Uh-huh.
sure,
Yes.
there's a sheer thing going on with the shirt. Right? So you are sure, and we're throwing another E, and we have the sheer
And you
thing
have the
going on.
sheer. Here we go.
Yeah, with Raga shirt today. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
You see. So you say even if I wear a grungy,
Listen, you had on green last week, and I'm not a laborite, but that was my favorite color.
not last week green was your favorite color when I had. Listen to me, you are doing wonders for my ego. You need to stop me. You know, let me just explode or something like that. You know,
No,
you're
you're
being mean.
amazing.
You're being mean right now with your kindness, okay? You have to be careful now, all right?
Oh, no, you are such an amazing human. I love watching you.
Oh, thank you. Thank
But
you.
anyways, you know, I just wanted to come say hi to you. You know, I have to like check in and let you
Okay.
know what I'm thinking about the outfits.
All right. Well, it's just about the outfit. Okay. All right, sure. Thank you so
Okay.
much, man. Appreciate it. All right, blessings, man. Cool.
Okay, bye-bye.
Cool. All right, well, any mix up when I have no want to no forward when I mix up them, everything is everything. You understand? Wedding mix up or any other mix up when I have me, I go down the line, Oh, next person up is none other than Nikki Couture. Nikki, wagwan, bobo.
Evening, one raga.
Yaga, yo, what's
Good
up?
evening, everyone. Raga,
See it? Yeah,
me I listen to you just now with the
yeah,
lady with the wedding. My
yeah,
baby father, when have
yeah,
one lady, and him and the lady live, but he have one
mm-hmm,
foreign woman. That
yeah,
was before me. So
yeah.
he left one morning. He tell me say he left one morning to go marry the foreign woman, but somebody see him. So when they see him now, they say to him, tell me some man, where you go so early? So I'm tell him, say I'm gonna get married. So now the same person now go down at the market now and see the woman and say to the woman, say, so how you done so they sell and the man gone in a jacket suit? We go get married. Me mama, the
Mm.
man said the woman drive out the whole of man take up beer, justify when the wedding day. Me say,
From, from church to church to church to church to church. I look
from
for you wedding
church
done.
to church to church to church. Hey, listen to me, man. Me say, man wicked and terrible, Can you tell me, say, it's a Nicole? One time, when my wife come, I made up one woman over the house, but my wife just come sudden for me.
Mm-hmm.
So guess what me have to do? Run good on a beer, go buy a black and white, give the woman, and tell the woman that she must act like a share the maid in the house.
Over them cat. Hey, I be a generation with people who just draw certain card you grew up around,
Miss, I didn't see a man when me did that with, He must give me all of him history from before,
Before,
The man
yeah,
said,
yeah.
the man said to me, say, B, I tell the woman, say, put on the black and white outfit and just act like a maid. He say, one see her in a day with her apron and her something on her head and all of that. Me say, so when your wife got here now, my wife now left come out of the house. Cause she want to say, why me have to have this a young girl help her?
No, but at that, man, I tell you, I mean, it's been a while now where the wife, them don't ever trust the helper them anymore. Like the young girl, and but from the helper look certain way and thing and whatever. That can't serve as an
But
excuse
Raga,
right
but
now.
him
Them
tell me
the
all of
helper
this
them
stuff that
start
but
get
say
pre.
fall in that trap,
Eh?
Cause him tell me all of what I'm going with, And then he
Yeah.
come, when me and him end up there now, he tell me, say, he make him brethren when end up in a hospital. And the brethren have one have daughter and his wife. And he said to me, say, children live at Westmoreland
Mm-hmm.
and the father in a hospital. If the people them can't come stay, Marco, we live in a one big house, and me and him alone live in the house, and we have two little man what they are the yard. So
Mm-hmm.
me always like entertain people. Cause some
Yeah.
eat time.
Yeah.
Raga, you know, so when me in the room they sleep, the man on I guest room I sleep with the girl.
Right we in the house there with you.
Raga in the same house where me and him live up at Westgate Hills.
Well, but but you didn't know she did it?
I know her. I know that she was there. But me
As
never
what?
know say when I sleep with her.
But what you know she was there as what?
She was there with her mother. Cause through them have to go look for the father at the hospital at
Yeah.
daytime.
Yeah.
So me wouldn't know
Oh,
no.
so them
So
judge, so
yes,
them just a stay there, so if you go look for the
me
sick,
have
the
it
sick
okay, them just a stay there just to go look for it. So one boy went there the yard now. Female kinda Luther.
Yeah,
One day he come to me and he said, man, I say something to you, man. We have to give me our money. So me give Luther money.
yeah.
So me give Luther money. He say, you know, say the boss asleep with the ballet girl. But me say he not sleep with her because guess what? He's a man, like maga woman.
Right.
As me tell you already, me can't carry 1 million maga girl got me hard, He
Yeah.
not look pan them.
Him not
But
like
see
his slim
them
as
thick.
them.
No, like he slim as them. But see them thick,
Yeah,
dog nyam me supper.
yeah.
When me say dog nyam me supper, So when he tell me, so, one day I said to him, say, boy, you just go on like you wisey. Then I know say me a baby this year and the girl a baby next year.
Time the breeder.
Breeder! Me say when me approach, I wish she went up on the life contact. When me go approach her, me say push me, don't push her off my balcony. She said, please let me explain to you. And tell her him come in the room for me and tell me, say, go give me everything, but me just not say nothing. Me say, come, me say, yeah, your mama gone. Yeah.
So she there in your house with she and her mother and claims that them come for look for a relative were admitted in a hospital.
The father was in the hospital.
Father in a hospital, no. And then, you know, I'm always interested to hear what women say. When time them get catch out for say them a take them friend man or them a take them people and man right under them nose and thing. So what you say she she put it upon him, say him come in there and say him a go give her what?
And him a give her things. And him a tell her say, he want one boy baby and I me tell him say a boy me go have and a girl me go have. And I want boy he want. So if she can give him one boy, come on now, you know a country girl come up here. See this big man within house, the big man have money. So then licky them a go lie down.
No, but when I said, did she tell you that as an explanation to say, I didn't really mean to do this, but what was the purpose of that explanation?
Raga, because me find out and me approach her. Come and go push her off at the top part of the building.
No, I get that, but me still don't get. If you are going to push her off of the building because, yeah, you did in my house, I chat up to me when you take my husband and my baby father, and you go breed female, whatever, and I'm about to push you off of the balcony right now, wicked girl. And then in defense, in an effort to protect herself, what you say she said to you exactly?
When I found out about it, I got to her.
Yeah,
and I got to her when him. Wait, no, me got to him. Me got to her when he was not around.
Yeah.
And I said, but you're really out hard, you're really coming at my house where me live. And you really come sleep with my baby father. And she has said to me, say, she start cry. And she has said, it's not something what she didn't want. And him coming in the room and she are giving things. And she are giving things.
Him a give her things. Him a give her things. Him a give her things. Right? And what?
Him a give her things. And he start and he end up and she did it explain. So me say you really not have nothing to say to me.
That is just my point. That is not, that is not something to say, oh, you really never did want. She basically I tell us, he make all these promises to me. Yeah, go on.
You know, I remember somebody pregnant too, you know. So if any little thing of them help me in the house and all of that, I mean I say,
so at the time when she a grind him off in your house and thing, you did pregnant and them help you though.
Yes.
But she said, what I want to go, what?
Yeah, I can't say something to you. Me sorry, I never mean to do it here, Luther. Beat out the girl war a clock, mama. Me say me not beat her, no, you just have to take her things and go. So when she did it, know what she did it, here and me go say something else to you. And me find out say me pregnant.
Also, she didn't tell you.
She tell, then when me tell her say she have to go, she tell me say she find out say she pregnant. Me say, well, then I'm going to stay in here. So the girl at 1 year old, my daughter 1 year old big on her.
Oh, hold on then, no.
And then me sit down and me say, look what the man used to tell me, oh, he went stay. And then me come fall in the trap.
No, Nikki, stop right there for a second.
Yes.
So, that's right. And ladies, me no want to no vex, right? No vex. Here, we just keep it 100 and thing, whatever, right? When I think me always tell people, say, yo, if woman like a man, another man that she like, and she really like him like that, no care what him do. Alright, let me tell you what one woman said to me. I always tell the people them over here. One woman said to me, say,
Yeah.
Raga. This is a woman, you know, it's a woman said. Raga, when a woman love a man or really want a man, that man don't have to lie to her. She will lie to herself.
Yes, true.
You hear what she said? When a woman love a man or really want a man, that man don't have to lie to her. She will lie to herself. Right? Because here what you just say you know all this man that is a proper gal is, you know, terribly, you know, and whatever, you know.
Man tell
Right?
you everything from
And tell you everything,
when
yeah.
the man look me, you know. Remember, you know, Raga, when the man a look me, you know, the man, let me tell you how it start when this man a look me, you know. This man when live with one woman, as I tell you, say woman, when this man a look me, you know, a man live with one woman. You see a woman when turning and the helper over there, you know, when his wife come, you know. My virgin tell me saying like me. And my
Yeah.
virgin say, you know, care go look for your boss. Remember you're young then time, you're big man a look, you want big money.
Yeah.
And me say, all right, he put me on him bike back and me say, all right, girl, na battery rider. Girl gone over Westgate Hills for battery rider. Pan
Well,
bike
cock
back.
up and
When
be
me
a
come,
things down.
yes, then tell me my name Nicole. Me na me prince and me prom.
That's all.
And Raga, when me go over there, when me go over there,
No,
my virgin
well,
go
no. Toots should I say now your pumps and pride. Yeah. Yeah.
Raga, the virgin blow him and he look out on the veranda. And he signal the virgin say he must go down at bottom of the hill. He must come. So when the virgin reach young and now he said to me, say, where they pan? So me said, no, he am not all right. Where they pan? So me tell him, say, I want a bed and a dresser. And he said,
Well. So, and that time you were Nicole, right? So when you were
Yes.
Nicole, you know, battery rider
Yes.
thing and your brethren come up and
Yes.
thing. Him did live with him woman them time, they don't. Wife
the
or
one of me
woman.
tell us of the turn, the
Yeah.
helper.
And you didn't know that though.
Yes.
Yeah. And when you come there now, him signal to your brethren, say, cause you dep on the bike back and him bring your friend. Because them time there, you know, cause when me see your bottom, you know, Nikki, and that really, you know, so I saw you cock up long time, you know, and round up, you know, so I can imagine when you did young, you know. Nikki, hold on. Nikki, me know say when you did younger, you have one of them thing that when man look on you, them body head jumping on Nikki. Me know that. All right? Well, I know. So you know when you're there, you know, and you know, say the big man have an interest in you, and the big man come out now, and the big man, well, and the big man sits. The big man signal to him brethren and say, no, we can't talk. I said, bring her down so we could talk. You talk to somebody.
All right. Yeah,
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah, so when the
Yeah,
big
so-
one, when him come out now and him see up on him bike, him signal to Uno say, nah, the link
Please
can't
don't
make
get back on
me.
the road.
So you don't know what going on there, so you know, don't you?
Yes. Let me tell you, as a young girl, you want things from big man,
You
man.
want things I'm big. So you know where you did I get in,
Yeah,
you know who
me did I get
you know who
Tina.
you did that, the type of man who you did that deal with from top, yeah?
Yes, man. Yes.
So hold on, here is the cardinal question we usually come up with them to. At any point now, did you believe that, well, me know say I saw him stay, but you're supposed to change for me. You did ever reach that point,
Yes.
Eh?
Worse, seeing it. Hello. Listen,
no, may I ask you, did you at any point believe say you could have changed him?
Well, at one
Talk it
point,
through.
because at one point I think I could have changed him because trust me, he loved. If me know I love nobody, and it's not a hype talk, and whosoever know him and know me,
Yeah.
know say he go tell us I want somebody me love and a Nicole.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So
But
Raga,
that never changed him though. That never changed him though.
Raga, now me say worse.
So well I
Yeah,
know.
Mr. Brown.
No, and then no, the same thing, you know, where you know, where you did see from the beginning with him, you know. The other woman that who under your house, you know, who did there your house with fear mother, you know, and a boom off him body in your house while she did attack to you when you pregnant. Remember now, you know, this is the father, right? Him are the baby father, and you pregnant, that she and her mother all help you while you pregnant, and she a grind him off same time, right? So she a grind with a man who a shell her out in the same house while him pregnant baby mother there. Wait the hold on.
Hey,
Wait, there's something at me as upon the wait the Nikki, hold on there. People wanna still I say the life?
Yeah.
Yeah, wanna see it?
Yeah, we are see live.
Okay, cause must be something up on my side over here. So then, hold on, 1 second. No, because all right, from una see it. All right, you see the live,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So what me I say is, she too, she know the type of man she did a deal with, right? That's right.
Yes.
Right? And
But
then
you know,
uno still go get involved with that type of man there.
well, I'm not Raga. Remember me did young, you know, so hear me they tell us, you know. So me tell him, say, me want a bed and a dress. At the time, the singers when they are there on a church street. So he said
Yeah.
to me, say, all right, I'll give you the money. I think he give me $60,000. Remember back then, the 60,000 now whole heap of money for young girl
Whole
get,
heap
you
of
know.
money, you know.
But then time when me
Yeah.
have one little, then time when me have one little man who just buy me one bed and dress, you know. So me just did want back the money. You understand me? So when he drop me as singers, me walk go in as singers and come out and tell him, say, me see what me want. And give me the money. He say, all right, pay for the truck and make it carry go on my yard. Me say, all right. So me go home and me tell my grandmother, because my grandmother was my backbone, you know. Tell my grandmother,
Okay.
say, me get a different piece of food for something else. So in the
Yeah.
night now, him brethren did have one wedding reception of Falmouth.
Mm-hmm.
Don't a the scheme of Falmouth, but true me know Falmouth. He asked me know Falmouth, so me say yes. So me follow him go a Falmouth. Hear me now. Bumbo clatter, what is me do? Then the man now come we go carry me off in the night here. Come in by the way on the front how long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, night when me and come down, hear me now. Hear me in the ears. Me can't stay too long because me have to follow my granny go market that morning. Never forget it was a Friday night. Me have to follow my granny go market tomorrow because a Saturday. Yeah, I'm relaxed, man. When we come down, we drive around the other side now. So we drive through Montpellier. So I'm a virgin of a go-go club, but the one white girl used to dance up there with one snake. Named Puup, I club named Puup. So we tap up there and did
Wait, what the club did name? What the club did name?
Puup.
People.
Up a Montpellier. And we
Yeah.
said we left Roampton, upper Roampton.
Yeah.
So we left there for now. And when we come now, hear me now to him now. My mother go call her man. Because remember, my mother they are foreign, you know. Yeah, my mother call every Saturday morning and I have to talk to him here. Well, it's a one Saturday and I go talk to your mother. Tall.
Yeah, cause
When me
shellings,
the
you might jump up in
the
your
man said,
belly.
hey, the man said unity all way. Hear me, Jesus, peace of me they go here. Relax. Anyway, what power next big house up there what they have up there. When me go up there, me hearing call like it. I say, Mr. Paul. And the man come open the gate in the early morning hours there. Yeah, when me come out now the morning, cause we going to stamp foot in our foot, get stamped up and he make me know say, hey, I'm here the general now.
No, well,
No man
so shellings go on the whole night and thing and whatever. Peace and
hey,
dash out go on and thing. And Nikki, well, and Nikki, we know say them time there, you know, young and strong girl and mobby and all them something, you know, you're sort out, you sort out, the pepper, you know, man, you know. Yeah, man. You must have that forget me not sort out. They can't forget the address sort out. That must come back sort out there. The African back sort out there. Eh?
After me give me the night,
Yeah.
I 1 year me hide him final.
For real?
Me ask if he could have come in can tell you. 1 year me hide him for. Cause the man tell me say nobody to me. And me say me not ready for second down, me too young. Me in the street.
Right.
You don't know what hide him, man. Anyway, one ball here we link up back now. One ball a come up Sunny ranking I keep Christmas ball and me one guard the ball.
Yeah.
So me have a sister named Shelly. Me and Shelly go over there now. Cause me call him and he say, listen, me got a ball and I want some money to spend on a ball. And so me come link here and say, yes, we must come. So guess I know no. True me no want no pipings in the night, cause go me a go out a ball.
Yeah.
Cause somebody that ball with me like. Cause me never like him. Me never want no blood clot road big man. A
Yeah.
younger folks was there when me did one.
Yes.
So when me go over there tonight now, Raga, when me go over there now, me over there. Even one brother come from England, and the whole of them over there, they chat about when the man keep the ball, we live at Westgate Hills, and the man ball a keep over catching mouth. So we can't hear everything from over that side there, over where we there. So we did a Raga, we did it. When we did a Raga, me say 11:30 and at 12 o'clock, you want to reach high ball for 12 o'clock for here when everything excitement. Me go say to him, say, aye, how are this? I not come for stay, you know. So is it you go take some of what me have and give me the money, make me go on. Give me the money, make me go on.
Hold on. You say, is it that what?
You go take some of what me have. That are the post.
No, I the way you put it. So you said to him, say, yo, big man, you want to go on, you know, me not come here to stay, you know. So if you want some of this, you know, you have to take some of what I have right now and give me money, you know. What you
Yeah,
doing?
man, tell him, man. Me say, Outlaw, come here, man. Is it there go take some of this one me have and give me the money, make me go on. Cause my friend away palm me and me have to go a ball over there. So yeah, as me tell you already, this is how in talk. Then I what it is for? You run to sell pussy.
If you run for what?
Sell pussy.
You know, say, I Sykes, he must say, him read the play, you know, say, yeah, where you want to run, go so.
So yeah, the man go say no Raga.
Yeah.
Any woman 12 o'clock catching her house can't come out. And them have to stay in there.
Oh.
And them have to fuck me no Raga. Cause me want to leave.
Yeah.
And the man now give me a chance. So when 12 o'clock come now, I'm here over Sunny ranking with one excitement and me over Westgate Hills. So my friend look for me same time and me look for her. Yeah, Michelle, I fuck me get, you know? Yeah,
yes,
Shelly. Yeah, all right, you know. I go my yard, you know. Yeah, me can't go left me, man. Hear him to me, now. You better you go take off your clothes and put on one of my t-shirt and go on in my bed.
Yes,
man. You
man.
go be the woman of the yard.
The woman of the yard.
That me belly hurt me.
You see,
Anyway,
the bar start.
End up of the sleep. Made up of the sleep that night. My friend sleep in our guest room.
Yeah.
And the man me get up here. What the plan you have now? Me say me want to go over my yard, you know.
Yeah.
That me want to do, me want to go over my yard. Here, you know. You don't have no yard more than right, yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
So hear me now. I make every excuse. Hear me now. I don't have no clothes over here. Hear me no clothes I lease. Come on. The time they when I drive on a 4Runner. You when I drive on a 4Runner. Hear him now. Go put on back the clothes you did have on last night. And we got a beer. So
and go buy you some clothes. Yeah, go buy you some clothes.
Holy clothes.
Yeah.
Hear him now. You're not supposed to go back over your yard. And you go me and your feet go together. Hear me now? Kiss me blood. Raga, me run well if your man come America, you know. And
yeah, you tell me that.
Raga, I saw the man blowing at the phone, you know. 1, 2, 3, a blood clot dead girl, dead up America.
When you did run well with him. No, yeah, me go take some other call from some other people and thing or whatever. But
Yes,
this is just Outlaw was him actual name, him name what they call him for it.
Yes, Outlaw. Everybody know Outlaw.
Everybody know the legend, the tall slim Outlaw from Beer, from Mobile,
Yes, man.
The legendary Outlaw. Then, but Nikki, before you go, you know.
Before stop your brother-in-law. If your brother-in-law, I'm a baby father. Sorry.
No, I can't mean. She should put the laughing emoji there. Yeah.
Outlaw.
Yeah, see somebody named Father Cracker say, Outlaw, I'm a big man general, you know?
So, everybody know the big general.
Everybody know one general, Outlaw from Mobile thing. Yes, Chumpy say, Chumpy in the street, man, and Chumpy say Outlaw was popular in Mobile. You understand? Real big
popular,
man.
Still popular.
But before you go, it might tell you life funny, you see how I move, I'm follow my spirit, right? And me don't tell you, say me I come check you. And me go check you when me want to check you, right? Because me I'm my own big man, don't it? And me go check you when me want to check you and whatever, I'm follow my spirit. Then me tell them earlier at the beginning of the show, one woman, she a call and Ray, me if you come this and that for a restaurant because she see what I'm doing, Nikki and them. So.
I saw some people staring up. You
Me
go
tell you.
Raga, you know, get nothing yet. You go here, more people call you. Oh, you go there, see you can't come here, so you
Nah,
can't
man.
this, you can't that. You come for me show contact and go on with yourself.
No, that man say, you even well, I know, she don't even really listen to me, She says her sister.
Oh,
Her
so
sister listen
want
me.
me come here?
No, her sister listen me and her sister say, me see him go over Nicky's store and Ray, call him man and make him this and that's so she call me now. I said me if I come down to a restaurant and so I just calmly I said to her, I said, Bean, no, I know. Because initially, I said, well, if you want me promote your restaurant, we'll work out something I can't talk to you. Because I never feel well today, I haven't been feel well and thing. So I said, nah, I just want you to come through because I see what you do over my son, over Nicky's store and whatever and thing. Yes, I'm supposed to do that now. So she not think no, and I say, if she do that now, then if I'm obligated for do that, that means I'm obligated for do it with the tens of thousands of people Ragashanti know, don't.
So
Me all have
everybody
really,
go
so
walk
yes,
around
I mean for do that for everybody now.
How do
So
you
me a
know
papi
that I
show
didn't
now.
pay you to come and do my business?
You understand? Eh?
How them don't know if I me say, okay, Raga, me pay you to come do my business?
No, not only that, but me I say, no, but we know you, yeah, right. You know you never do that, right? Me and you know you never. But me say, if me want to follow my spirit and go over there and whatever and do this and whatever, because me I say, my spirit technique and whatever, you call in for me sure out of your own volition and thing and you're nice up, me sure. She don't even listen me, much less we go call in, much less we say she's a subscriber and whatever, but my problem with people like them, the Nikki, is like, them will go in a your store and them will want ball down your thing to lickle and nothing.
And then
But them not have no problem when them go Macy's, them even show up, so them buy this Louis and this and that with other people. Them will come to a Ragashanti now and think say Raga must obligated for do some. But them now go Adam Stewart place them now go on nationwide and go tell them say them people are supposed to come down and feed them store or whatever, but somehow the people them who them cool with, the people them who them rate certain way and say, no, you're close to the people them and them people them want to take.
Because she come in here and she said, oh, you have some nice stuff. And I always pass on your showcase and she go on uptight. I mean, they watch her, and she had try on. And this particular dress, I sell it for like $350.
Yeah.
Was a very beautiful dress. And she come in and each a killer I sell both in. And I said, all right, me give it $300. Oh, but this is like a ghetto area. You could have said, Mr. Miss, here we are doing now. Put it on and walk with grace. Because guess what? You not buy somebody. And guess what? She left in the next 2 days. I want the uptown girl while left from way of Long Island for an uptown style. Come right as I come buy my dress.
No say a word, man. Me just get heads up about them and whatever. But me ready for them, Big up yourself, Nikki. All right.
Stop. I want Raga.
And
big up. Ticket there, Nikki Couture.
That's
Raga
right.
Bash.
And big up your sister. Big up your sister, Sherry. Sherry or Shireen?
Shireen.
Big up Shireen. Yeah. I'm just want Father.
Epic.
Father Epic. Father Epic, your foot get kicked where. You understand? Father Epic, your ownership on Shireen done. Raga take her from you. All right, people spread the word. Ragashanti kick where Father Epic foot and take where Shireen from him. And big up your good as mother. Yeah. Big up your young girl mother. Yeah. Everything is everything.
All right. Big up yourself, Raga. Respect.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool.
All right.
Anna. What day, people, man, telling us that January, for the last few days, even baby girl have her birthday, my daughter, just have her one. I just never feel well, yo. And you know that thing there where you don't feel well, but you know it's a rest you need, you know? You just need for rest and sleep and thing what. You know, our big brother did come up from Florida and thing and whatever, so you know, the whole airport thing and flight did delay and all them something there and them something there, yeah. Yeah. Yo, Shaq, Bill, man. Man, I wish Shaq, you know. I mean, he run the show. All right? Bill. All right, watch it right. We're the pan wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one now. Could see if anything come out of this thing. See, what you say was going to send a wellness check for me, don't yeah, you check up on Raga there, I think I see. I could make sure say the general all right, don't. People big up on yourself, you know, people, remember me I tell you, enjoy life, you know, not gonna make no stress taking over and all these things, you know. If you not enjoy life, a phone fault, you know, if you're not enjoying life, you're making some choices that are preventing you from doing so, you no matter where I go through. Still enjoy life, man. See? And if you're not enjoy it, you come over here, we'll teach you how to enjoy it, because we'll find fun in everything over here. See? We'll find fun in everything over here. All right. Right? And if you're not enjoy life and you have a problem with it, just know that I ain't falling for shit.
Oh, filing for shit.
One maroon, go down, Bobo.
What?
There, man. What's up?
Me have one mix up but myself, you know, man.
That box me in my nastiness with it. Yeah, man, make we hear it. Send on.
The backside.
Yeah.
Raga?
Yeah.
Me did there with one Asian guy one time.
Yeah.
Me did live in Orlando.
Yeah.
So me and him, one other Asian guy and my girlfriend did occupy the apartment.
Mm-hmm.
So one night, I go in at the kitchen and I pass my friend room and me hear she depend in there. Right there. Yeah, me backside. I was going with her in there. So the morning we're going to work now, me I ask her, say, how were you dancing right there last night? And she tell me, say, Mr. Man did I eat her situation. She said, me I tell you
Well on, she did have one man a eat her situation, though.
Yeah, for your Asian guy. For your Asian guy.
Well on. You know what? Maroon, me tell people all the while, you know, don't call the show and try to get joke. Don't call it joke. It's not gonna work. The people, anything hear the people that come out, man, one wicked mix up here, whatever this, you know them are gonna flop. But say just call and just start natural. You know, whatever they ever come out. You know, it coming like nothing to you, you know, but it's just the natural thing. You say, yeah, him did a eat our situation. You know, I say, our new thought that your boss for the show, right? No, I like it. Yeah, him did a eat our situation, no. Eat out our situation. yeah, go on.
Right there. So when I ask her now, she said to me, you see, all the while me I tell you if you make Vanna do it for you and you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it. I say, I'm afraid, yeah. It's nice. So she always encourage me and I tell me to do it, but I never want to do it.
Yeah.
So, always ask me and I always say no and get upset.
Oh.
So the night now, you know, me decide say, yes, me want to try.
Yes.
The man jam me down on the bed front, you know, Raga.
Yeah, right at the edge, though. Right at the edge, I bet. Yeah.
In my leg, right and neck, you know, man.
What?
And my man under there, heat situation, heat me situation.
Yeah.
I say, Raga, me go find myself left on. Tap it. And when he stop, me say, do it.
Yeah.
And then when he stop again, me the point, stop it. And when he stop, me say, do it.
Yeah.
The last time when me say it in a force, man. Cause like me a come in a raga, me force me a go hear 3 gunshot tear out of the gun, prop. My man said, man, go to the bathroom and
Hold
try
on,
to
hold
say,
on,
man.
hold on. What you mean 3 gunshot? A 3 fart, you fart pan him?
Yes.
I mix up and blend that time. I mix up and blend that time.
Raga, 3 backfire, my man the pan.
Hold on.
Man.
Hold on.
Man.
Yeah, come on, you got 3 fart, you drop on him, though.
Because the way how he hold me, and me don't know if you explain it right there, so, but the way he hold me, and me I come
So
and
hold on. So when you come at that time, you pop up your place?
yeah.
Listen to me, now, man. John, hey, man. You have to take time with me in a maroon. You go too hard, man. You said 3 gunshot, 3 out of the magazine. Plop, plop, plop. Right up in them face, now.
My man roll up in face and look up in my face and say, man, try go to the bathroom and do something, man.
Yeah, man, said, man. Yo, try go to the bathroom and do something, man. You can't, what's wrong with you? Yeah, no. Yeah, come and poop. Jesus, and poop up on the man. That time you get the first time you get a man to eat out your situation. And yeah, no. So why did I stop and go? It's like when you did that, say stop. It's nice. Stop the way it's nice and thing. And then if him go easy up, you say go back. Yeah. Yeah, me know about that something there, me read about that something there, There's some woman, them are whining and them stop, you stop. Yeah, whatever, yeah, other thing they did, yeah, that kind of go and come something there, Yeah.
So when he grip me now and when me I come, it's like my body feel different. My body just feel like me in a coma, like me a fits. And I saw the backfire, them just go plop.
Plow. Yeah, 3 piece him get, 3 piece him get, yeah. Then,
man, try go to the bathroom and do something, man.
man, I said, you have something in there where you need to get rid of before you come work and thing and sit like that.
You ain't tell him to do nothing.
You never intend to do that. What?
When I ask him to do nothing, no him want do it long time, so you get
Nah, but Maroon, say, enough man who don't even know, but as something when enough woman think about, particularly when them just start data, man. Me never know say woman think about them something there,
Yeah.
Woman think about what them a eat and how them body this and that for make sure so them not poop when them start out or them go out, You didn't know so woman think about them something there?
But I never expect say that would happen. You understand? Because it's the first time and it's just like, why me no know? But it did happen.
Nah, one good come you get because we hear it apparently when the situation them I get the eatments and whatever, I want different come that from the other come from your regular come, You know that, though? You know that, though?
Yes.
What you mean, yes? So from that time, you never get a situation, get look a service like that?
I don't want it again because I don't want to shock nobody again, no, sir.
Hold on.
No.
So from that time, then when you get your situation eat, you never get your situation eat from that time.
No, Raga, I don't want it again. But me feel like
no, man, you need to try it again, man.
No,
You
me
need...
feel like me da go dead, Raga. Me feel like me da go dead. Me feel like my body, like me life gone out of my body.
No, you look like the Asian man did I get one good eat, you did I get, I want name brand eat you did I get that eat that it up they look like the dog tongue game, the dog head game proper,
But
you know. I
somebody
want
said
me
me traumatized. Yes, it traumatized me to backside.
nah man, you can't do this. Somebody just subscribe. Butterfly, big up yourself and think. Thanks for subscribing. And we need other people to subscribe to my channel and support the thing over here. Yeah, nah, man, I want good. You know how much woman do that give thanks to all that they eat, they make them whole body tremble and thing and whatever. The other woman, them probably don't know for hold them poop. But you not use street, you don't even know for hold your poop. Enough time, woman, poop a come down for woman and them hold it, you know. Alright, what them do, them dry card. Right? Y'all have some woman where like, yeah, that's why I tell man, yeah, sometime when, if you not work, and you see the woman them say like, stop, or you have to know when to keep going and put it on, but you have another time, you know, men, if you at work and the woman says she need to go to the bathroom right now, your woman come out and explicitly say that, make she go. If you at work and a woman say, no, me need to go to the bathroom right now. That's different from, you know, when woman nice and she says, stop, Jesus Christ, this, that, and a different something that. Cause enough time when a woman need to cut her too fat and cut too poop and all them something there are, we keep it 100, do come down pan her and thing and whatever, because you have woman, hey, you have woman come, remember, you know, you have woman we all come and all them period come down pan them and all them something there, you know, just yes, your maroon poop come down pan her. So now
When me I said to him, say, stop, because like say, round there so kind of feel a weird, like it a come out.
yeah.
And then gone again, and then me say, do it. But when I did the last time, when me I tell him to stop, he ain't stop, brother. So
He never stop, yeah. He never stop at all. Right, you know. Yeah, somebody has said the situation turn into a situation and think y'all got jokes now, don't you? All right, Maroon, big up yourself, you know, you ever bring it, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, love and
You
blessings,
know, the
man.
lady called me do somebody she hear it and she know my voice and she called me. So me say, you vex here. No sir. Me want go down go vote, but me not go come. Me no want any me down there. Me no want any me down there.
All right, let's say a word, man. Big up yourself. I ain't falling for she. All right, blessings, man. Cool. Oh boy. Yo, it's all about fun over here, you know that, you know, it's all about fun over here. Yeah. How me feel about the election? I don't want to go in it, you know, because anything you say right, you know, yeah, people diehard comrade and they have the diehard labor right them and whatever. So there's been a lot going on. One thing me lose half of them really lose and them gone too far with it is this whole thing where them a move to Mark Golding and I say him did you know, RAPE him wife when she did young and whatever, which don't even make sense because the woman older than him and all them something by several years. But them just do it, you know, in a year. And let me tell you something. Some I don't know, probably too young for know this. But up here, I'm sure Republican and Democrats not get along. And it's even worse now. But, you know, elections are adversarial, and it's, as Lisa Anna says, a blood sport, you know. So it's going to get ugly, you know. It just comes with the territory. You have to have thick skin for election. And there was a time when a man called John McCain was a Republican nominee for the presidency. And he was going up against Barack Obama. And while he was at a campaign thing and whatever, this woman had taken a mic and she started say something about Barack Obama, this and him like should I say man, racist Muslim terrorist and thing. She named Barack Hussein Obama. And she started to say something or whatever. And John McCain go over to her and take a mic and be like, no, don't do that. He's my political opponent. And we have difference in policies and in sense, but what you just say about him is not true. It's not true, and don't do that. I'm going to tell you something, I have the amount of respect I have for that man there, right? And even after him lose him and Obama turn good friend, before him dead and him a plan him funeral, him tell Obama, say, you me want to speak of my eulogy and my thing and whatever. So again, we understand politics, you know? People get rough and tough and whatever, and enough things say. But when me see how far this thing are gone, that's, you know, in an effort for win now, me not hear nobody from the JLP come out and say, yo, stop say them something about the man and him wife. It was, you know, and again, you know them something, it got too far, you know? It gone too far. And that's something about if you're born in a Jamaica, that don't make you a citizen. It's foolishness. And then people that try to spin it around now and I say, but that is the case in so many other countries. Yes, that is the case in so many other countries where you can ban they are not a citizen. In fact, it's about there are more countries where you can ban India and don't get automatic citizenship than not. But that is not the issue here. I mean, I do this for no politics, you know. I do this, you know. It was never the issue in Jamaica. Why? Because it's the law in Jamaica. If you're born there, you're a citizen. If you're born in Jamaica, you're a citizen. That is not the whatever. And then when a man come out now and him show him birth paper, let me tell you why me take personal umbrage to that. That is the birth paper when me have to. That is what we have from them time there. That little people and thing. And then for here, everybody will come out and I say a fake paper that because the birth paper and look so simple thing, you know. Simple thing for the people them come out with a respect to the process and say, no, him really bad. No. If that you use for disqualifying for say the birth paper don't look like the one way look now. That is how our birth paper them look from them time. But nobody no come out come say it. Because people want to win. And them don't care. So in order for win now, you take a tactic where you don't want to win by your policies and your record. You want to win by destroying somebody, by saying him rape him sleep, him wife with him have sleep with her when she underage and rape her and them something the animal or citizen and whatever. Those are personal attacks. They don't have nothing to do with policy and whatever. Right? And again, you know, PNP and JLP do them something. Yeah. Both sides do them something or whatever, but it never goes so far. It never goes so far. And man, you know, and you're talking about somebody who, when Bruce Golding did leave the JLP and me did Lord, I say, and you forget it when Darryl Vaz did want it and Vaz did want it and Bobby Montecu did want it and me one of them I say, no man, and you forget it. Right? And you forget it. Me did I say that. I mean, know the Prime Minister personally. Me know him personally. We're not best friend or anything, but we know each other for a long time. I just I said, put PNP and JLP aside. I know you have a set of people out there. You know why me don't talk about them something? Eh? You have a set of PNP out there and a set of JLP. The diehard them have blinders. Don't care what you say about one side. At most, you're going to hear them say, yeah, but as bad as things is, the labor right, them are going to say, but as bad as things is, the JLP never wicked like the PNP. Then you have the comrade them say, yeah, but as bad as things is, the PNP never go nowhere near the wickedness with the JLP. So I don't talk to them. Yeah, and some of me a day and I love to see them and thing, but me no chat to you. Kind of make sense, right? I mean, understand it. If you're in your camp, you're in your camp, you know? So me just leave it alone. Because you can't reason with them people. I don't know Jamaican politics there. People just ban labor right and them don't know nothing else and them not change. Them not switch nothing. And people them ban comrade and a PNP, them just know right through them entire life, them family, them not switching and nothing over there. And they have a right to do that. So me understand that. So me leave it alone. What I don't like is when them use that now to justify these types of attacks were gone too far. That me not like, you know. That's why I never say nothing too tough about it and thing and whatever, you know. But as usual, you have diehard comrade and you have diehard jail labor right and thing. And the election is going to be decided, as usual, by those who, the independent voters, you know, who will vote either way with them things. So I think that is what going to happen tomorrow. So we'll see. And we're not getting at the minimum wage discussion and thing. That is just politics. That is something different. These things happen, you know, last minute moves and all these things. Right? But anyway, we're upon wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one same way, right? Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. And again, I just want to know that today is actually my daughter's birthday. We celebrated over the weekend because, you know, certain things had to be done over the weekend. But I want to big up my daughter upon her birthday today. You know. Jiddy us know my one daughter, my last one, yeah, she's so special, you know. Daughter, and then my last one or whatever. She's the baby of the three of them, you know, and whatever. So happy birthday, Jiddy. Just know, say, Daddy loves you. Would always there for you and will protect you straight. Nah switch, nah flinch. And when you turn big man, call your father, you know, someone dead there, you understand? We teach you how to survive in our world, and we teach you how to survive by yourself. But at the same time, just know, say, as long as me I breathe, yeah, just call me, I'm dead for you. Love you. Love all of me youth, them down. I think when I'm one daughter, you know, so, yeah, she's special. Yeah. Look a baby that, man. See. See, Kitty say, Raga, I'm a big married woman and I know I don't do anything without my father's advice. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm a daughter, I have that look of something I know, you know. She know what to go to her mother with and she know what to come to me with and thing, you know. Just 8 years old and thing, and just like smart as a whip. And like, all my kids are pretty smart, you know, they're quite brilliant and thing, you know. She's just coming into her own, you know, look a theater star, you know. You see. JD Bo, big up yourself, you know, you come born in the boom month and thing. All of my September people, and big up yourself. All of my Virgo people, and even my August, my August Virgo people, and big up on yourself in a Virgo nation in a place, you know. Yeah, make them know. Oh, you mean? And this are the thing there. All right? There's a Sherry, a Libra, no? Everything good, man. Over yourself, man. Seeing? All right, watch your right, people. Wedding mix-up or any mix-up one have and thing. Yeah, me, I telling about my sister in there and thing and whatever, and you know. Yeah, me, I tell her, so she said her plan, she line up with the man. And by the way, him no want to do it, you know. The bonner man no want to do it, you know. But she insists, she, on her wedding day, she change the hotel for go to one different hotel where she have links and whatever, one place to get one secret entrance to meet him. And her plan is to sleep. She says she want the bonner man for sex her in her wedding dress on her wedding day before she go get married. So apparently she getting dressed at that hotel. And she want the bonner man to come sleep with her. She said she want him do it in her wedding dress. Right? And me telling the whole I think before with the whole sitting, and then I say, yo, then, but what the reason for that? But yeah, why would you want to do that? She said she want him to know how much she love him, the bonner man, you know. And that him she did want married. And it's because him don't want married, she gonna marry this other one, yeah. Ladies, me don't want to feel no way, you know. Me don't want to feel no way, you know. But that's why a man like me I tell him to say, yo, me don't want to feel so this a bragging and them thing there, you know. That's why somebody like me a gangster till the last breath with certain things, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Me nah make no front come cloud up my judgment and all them things. Me not own no woman front, you know. Right? Cause a man they gonna marry that woman, you know, and whatever, and she go up there and she go say, I do, and this and that and whatever, rare. And if it pan out the way she planned, him not gonna know and say, yo, the bonner man did just like a hour before or 2 hours before jump up in her belly in the wedding dress where she say she a do for make a bonner man know and say him she really love. You have some cool sitting that, you know. Yeah, man, that's some cool sitting that, man. And so I see them man about them own front and all them something and whatever, particularly in them day and age. Now idiot, man, but I just living a life and respect woman and do and shut on the mouth and not say nothing to nobody and whatever and govern on a thing certain way. Yeah, because right now, a world a move away right now, the thing mucky out there. You see it. But that being said, you know, I just want to big up all of the people that want to read successful marriage. I want to work through the tough times. I want to love each other. You know, now no relationship them are going good. I want to love each other. I want to take care of each other. I want to come from far. I just want to big up, you know, all right? Big up them people. All who watch me right now, if you're not follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All I want to watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Turkey good as anyway, you big up yourself, you know. All right. All who are watch right now, if you not follow me, follow Ragashanti. Right? Miss Grant, me see you follow me. Kiana Larger, Patricia Graham, me see you. All right. Anastasia, with the Russian name. Big up yourself. Saville, Natalia, Damian Lanaman, Miss Fabulous, Lee, Widow Diedrich, Chosen. Then hey, big up on yourself. All who are follow me now, big up on yourself. Daryl P. Binder, large up. Yeah. Jojo, big up yourself in a Jojo. Shakibo. Yeah. All who are follow me. Toya, me see you. Yeah. Large up, man. Everything is everything. What you ride right now? Wedding Mixup or any other. DJ Gussie in a place. What them here about? Don't. Novia. You there? Pork. Whatever. Pork and beer. Oh, pork and beer. This is your thing. The pork and beer. No. Yo, Queen Nash. What go down? Yeah. And people do remember my birthday party, you know. Time I come right now, you know. Yeah, time come my birthday party, though. Ragabash. Saturday, September 20th. Saturday, September 20th, right? See? All right, there. Trini Nurse, I got the thing and whatever. People get on the tickets. Star Boys at the bottom, man. Get on the tickets, people. Get on the tickets. My birthday party, Ragabash, Saturday, September 20th and thing. I asked them for come out and support I birthday party. You see it? Just come. It's a grown and sexy affair and things. See, so be and put on nice clothes and come out and things. See, big up the ANC, big up the SDC, big up all crew and thing. Liquid, big up yourself. You know, everything is everything. See. Nah, man, I see him number for the Zell, man. No, what did that, man? Look at thing they go on with the phone thing and oh, yeah, and me have to change the phone with Verizon and thing. But no worry yourself, me I link you forward and make you know I'm Trini Nurse. All right, see, right? Saturday, September 20th and thing. All right, Tass, I see you just extended your subscription to 6 months. Big up yourself. Love and blessings and things. Seeing? Yeah. Tall her, large up yourself, SDC to the world. Big up the SDC crew and everybody and things sitting. All right, blessings and respect. People come out from a party, come just party with me, you know. I don't really do road like that, you know, whatever, you know. Me actually stay on my yard and keep myself out of trouble, you know. So you see when me go party now, more, you know, I just want, you know, have a nice little time and things. So I want to forward and things, see? And just forward and come enjoy on yourself for I and I, you know. All right. Thick come. Well on there. Shireen, are you that? All right. Thick comes. Shireen, me see you, man. See, the father epic your head earth you right here now. So Shireen drop right in my crib here now. Father epic, you know, say Shireen drop right in my crib. Somebody tag Father Epic there and tell him same foot get kicked. We're wicked right here now. See her, yeah? She come right in my crib. See Shireen there right in my crib. Tick comes. Good as tick comes there. Yes, you can't stop that one, your Father Epic. All you go on and write just a yeah there. A yes on the link there. You love keep up arms house. Yo. Anyway, watch your ride, man. Could see where I go on. Yeah, man. So it's all about full blast of the promotion of my party. I come up and things. Seeing people. Yeah. And again, me want to know, come and bring a friend. Yeah, all right? Bring a friend, bring 2 friends. Come with your bonner man, your bonner woman, your straight up man, your straight up woman, your husband, your wife, your ginger ration, your cousin, your auntie. Hello. Hello.
Allah, you.
Hello.
Post come with the married in a goods.
You mother. You could have been almost be my mother. And you're gonna go.
Politics, them they panning up. God. You been a politics thing, you know. Yeah. I'm big up all of the women who get them situation, who have somebody that eat your situation. You understand? Hello.
Bagon.
I'm there, you know, I'm going with you.
I forgot to make my Asian man eat my situation.
Eat your situation, oh, you mean? Yeah, so some of them are hype and them nah get them situation eat up, though. You see, talk to me. Yeah.
Me know, me not mix up no wedding. Me don't know nobody with them.
No, man. Any other mix up
But
for suffice.
Yeah. Me need you to do a recap. You know, say earlier, me listen one story where one lady call in and talk about where she got one man at St. Thomas. I don't know if you remember that.
Yes, man. That man, a name brand, that man, all of it. Yeah. Yeah.
We're going to need for this a recap, you know. Kind of story, what me tell us, I turn over a while ago and listen back.
Nah, man. That's how the Rocky mix up, man, right? That's how the Panda Rock mix up for Rocky, I understand? And that sample mix up that, man. And she know if you tell mix up and all these things, man. That turn over the place when she run it, man. You see it? Yeah.
I need you to do one recap there.
Yeah, with the big neck, big back woman, just lift her up and chew her through the window.
If the door drop in front of them, man, come on 5 inches.
Yeah. Right away, that was a sign, you know, say, yo, something not gonna happen right now. You just say, Raga, me a bad girl, you know, but me I tell you, when no man lift me up, I don't even have no time for respond, you know. All me know, me just end up out up on the one rock with the outside of the door. You see it? Wait, the whole hand, my sister in that car. Stacey, me there, I do the show, you know. Okay?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh, okay.
Hold on there. Me there, I do the show, me call you back, but before you come off, you beat for a morning.
A long time.
Where you
People them, you have to talk about the dirty tenants, them will live a people yard where I work, be a witchcraft and a one.
No, hold on, the people that might hear you on the radio.
Them might hear me.
What? Eh? The people them are here, you know. What you say, the tenant them what?
The dirty tenant, them will live a people yard when them know so them for come out when them get eviction notice and I work be a bosom at the people them yard cause them no want come out.
John, no.
Stop it.
Me have to call you when the show done because I want to sound
That's your
pepper.
word.
All right, then, cool.
Right.
My bad girlfriend, you hear what she said a while ago? Eh?
Sure.
You hear what she said?
Witchcraft.
She said the people them get them eviction notice and no one because I be a witchcraft. Hey, man,
You
tell
know,
you,
so that's a system in America where me not like though.
wow, yeah, all forget out people, don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want crazy sitting, man. Now you have people them just make a career out of it.
Cause them
Yeah.
know so them can't put them out, so them do them foolishness there.
Yeah, man, it's crazy. You know, you kind of make you afraid for y'all
The
rent your
you pay.
property. Yeah. This whole game with them play where, you know, them not pay the rent for a while and then for like that go for like a year. Then by the time you go court, them know so them have about 3-4 different dates at court, you know, which take up another year. And then the whole thing with them, if them try to dry you out and make you go do something and thing or whatever, before you know it, you have a restraining order against you. You have a restraining order against you, against your property, you know, because you meanwhile, somebody, you know, and them do them turn up late one night, you know. I feel property, you know, but turn up at the people them and say, listen, I have to leave and thing or whatever. And me don't know how it go, but them say him turning up late and whatever, them afraid and all them something there and whatever, and them did scare. Restraining order against him, you know. Then the other thing where now them have to deal with it, them have to move from the eviction process and deal with the restraining order process first.
Before then can go forward.
Before they can go back with it. Then the restraining order thing now can take up all the next year or two. I know the gameplay now is the landlord them end up have to look upon it and say, well, if me go through all of this and this and this and this, I better me give them a big money for them come out. But the people them who do them something, them know that, you know.
Yeah, that's why them do it. That's
are the hustling, yeah. That's are the
the
hustling.
best way for do this, and it's even still not safe. I through Section 8.
Well, me, I would politics.
It's not safe either, but at least you guarantee some money.
Yeah, but you have other ways to do it from me can't talk about righteousness. Yeah, you have other ways to do it. You have other ways to do it and people run out of that, man. But you don't know in the street and Ray, you know? Yeah, man, and people Leggo, man. Oh, you mean? Anyway, so yeah, man, we hear what you say about the Rocky mix-up, man. I all of you mix up that, man, and things. See?
That's the part I see between when she say when she look up, a man that she see in her ear.
Yeah, he might come through the window too, man. That seal it up right. Yo, that took me out, man. That took me out. The part that took me out, you know?
Boy, I tell you that I can't delete that story there.
It got someone seeing. All right. Blessings here. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
protection.
Man. But next thing I got, I send the link for the ticket them for the birthday.
For the birthday. Send to where? To where?
Send it you can text it to me?
Me see your name, yeah. Yeah. All right, yeah, man. Me see your name, man. All right.
All right, bless up.
I'm going to ask you to. You beard for money?
Of course, we're gonna just beard.
Okay. What your soap name? What your soap name?
Smell good. Well, I use a company that called Melaleuca. I don't know if you know about Melaleuca.
What?
Melaleuca.
Melaleuca?
Yes.
What them do they make them one a soap?
They make quite a few stuff. Natural.
Oh.
Look them up.
Listen to me.
Send it to
me
you.
look them up, and if nothing now go on for them, I ain't buying this soap for shit. All right. That's the word, man. Bless up here.
But check them out, Raga. Them natural products.
All right, we'll see. All right, blessings, man. Cool.
Your girl skin clean?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right.
All right, then that's our word. Here, blessings. Cool.
All right. Yes, baby girl, Malaluka is still a thing.
All righty. We're there. What you know? Ratcha know. Father Epic Carrier don't know. Father Epic Carrier don't know. Yeah. Father Epic Carrier don't know. Well, now, she not come in. Thick comes. She not come in, you know. You understand? I bet your Father Epic tell her she not for answer. But him see she go call in. And him tell her not for answer. You see how it going on. Thick comes that come in, you know. People a joke where I make and I run. I'm just wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one. Wedding mix-up or any other. Hello. Greeting. Yeah.
Good night. How you doing?
I'm doing really, really good. I was under the weather and thing, and even before the show, I'm not feel well and still not feel 100. But all things being equal, I'm very thankful and blessed, you know.
Raga,
Yeah.
you have one girl in New York, you say? At the third place, this no, I know she gone, and the next thing I know, the woman I got in a hospital. Can't eat, can't breathe, can't sleep. Everywhere she go, she make it a trend for
What she
move
do?
and down parent and then cuss you out and call the police because she beat my auntie.
Oh.
This is a serious thing. Last month, I go to Jamaica. My best friend supposed to go to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Plan, suitcase plan. 5 days after, our mother dropped down at work. Because I want tenant to tell her some cloth or send her to Jamaica. By the time the woman got work, her head did hurt her from the Thursday. From the Friday till now, she paralyzed, can't walk, can't move, can't do nothing. She not even
The who paralyzed can't walk, can't move? Who?
my best friend, mother.
The mother, and why she paralyzed can't move?
Because she rent the girl
Yeah.
behind her. She had on upon her house in Florida and she rent behind her.
Right.
Right? And the little girl was she put in at the place, probably about 25, 26, with her artistic son. She don't want to work.
Right.
So she had go work. My friend mother go work and she had water our garden. And I know the son I water the garden and the lady are going in her car. And she said the tenant passed and said, hey, what happened to the rent? We can't say the word that she say. But she say, you want me to go sell what's it not? For compare it, I have $60. You want it? Let me first start them something here.
And you know, it's deliberate, you know, because what happened now, the way them when them do that now, if the landlord risk them I try to draw out the landlord, you know, and then when the landlord do something now, whatever this and that, then the next step is them report the landlord.
Yes.
So them always do something for try to trigger the landlord or draw out the landlord. And then when the landlord do something now, then them go so boom now and carry that go court. And then the court say, no, this matter here, this assault matter or whatever matter, this have to resolve first before them can go back to the rest. And I saw them end up staying there longer. That's the process. Yeah.
Even when the girl I moved Friday gone, is that Mr. God always working because my friend I both got prison too and she just turned to stay not even 1 month, you know. And me I tell her that my friend I got through a lot because she even have a man issue to deal with too. And she come down like a pencil that thinks that she have 8. So when me say she post a picture the other day, I'm glad that she never come to Jamaica with me now. I have to tell her because she looks sick.
Oh.
Spanish Town I used to her looking like that.
Oh.
Them big government worker, you know, so them not used to her looking like that.
Yeah.
So when she go come down with me now, after me never know so she lose so much weight, but I think she's sick.
No, so what you say about move out Friday?
So she gets somebody, them have a court date, because since her mother dropped down and a bag of thing go on, my friend could have come Jamaica. So
well, I know, so somebody post and say, Raga, yes, and that landlord she's talking about is my friend. So what you say, go and talk now. Yeah.
So
Go on.
when time, me and my friend was supposed to go to Raga, boom, and leave. Raga, me I tell her, so my friend called me, I literally start crying. Because her mother like my mother.
Yeah.
We're very loving, caring, me surely very respectful woman, hardworking woman.
Yeah.
Come here with nothing and build something. And me I tell her, so the girl put my friend mother in the hospital, me I tell her, say, it shaped me up. I'm also Jamaica, me not rent that. When me hear some bleeding at the brain, I said, Jesus. The only thing I can think of leave my kids and fly go over there.
No, so hold on. The person move out yet?
Me I tell
Wait there.
forget
No,
about
hold on. Your thing cut off a while ago. So what you say now?
You hear me now?
Talk
You hear
again.
me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Friend always I call him, man. That's my sister. So what my friend did have to do, knowing that she don't know what to do when it comes on to mother and documents and stuff. My friend did have to go to court, petition everything again, get a lawyer, pay how much money, forget all the crosses get there, and for sure you all people not have respect for people mother and people house. The girl I want to fight my friend with.
You get cut off. She want to fight your friend too, right?
She knows I'm the line. No, she was calling me. She said, yes, it's I'm cleaning out the garage. She knows I'm the line.
No, you're doing something though where cause your voice to get muffled. Yeah, move around
No,
or
my
something.
friend was. I'm not moving. My friend is calling me at the same time.
Right, okay.
So I can't deny the call. So sorry about that. So, but she know I'm on your live though. She tell me a while ago. So somebody tell her, but it's fine.
Right.
But
No, that's
you see, let me tell you something. Coming to America, saying this to say that coming to America and having the American dream. I know a lot of people want to rent them place to have a second income, but are the worst thing ever. That can make you can't even go to your house where you work hard and purchase. That can make you see your house and drive past it every day and can't enter it. That F with people mental. It's not a good thing. And stress and that like a back part of your head that will hurt you. And I want normal thing that can make you drop and you can't get up.
Right.
So renting is not a nice thing.
Yeah, it's quite tricky, and a lot of landlords go through it, you know, and it's.
Then my auntie know she rent her best friend for her place, which she know from she a Pitney. She go through the same thing, pay $4,000 to get her out. Not even 1 month, the woman come out. She take a little boy in Jamaica from Jamaica. The girl stay in my auntie house, buy the Gucci, buy the Louis, work hard, have the expensive car. File for 5 people at Jamaica, you know. In a one room, you know. And then when the people them come here now, she move out to my auntie house, because my auntie finally get her out. Put her, she find one next place. Now this lady knock on my auntie house Sunday. I asked my auntie, say, how to get her out? Because she want her to come
over
out.
the other place.
Over the other place. And now she take with the man green card and I dis up the man son same carries. September school open and the little boy now go school 10-year-old. Woman where breed, they for keep them pit near them foot. And Jamaica woman them love run left them pit upon the man them too much. Now that little youth here suffer and I go back to Jamaica because the girl is crazy in her head.
Jano.
She move from house to house and no rent. And when they see her
now,
now,
the people they move do them something. They move from house to house, man. I know quite a few of my friends.
She go on like say she had the thing. Enough of them nurse girl are mad. Enough of them nurse girl are like nice things and not live no way.
The nurse.
What you say?
The nurse.
I live in a one room. Roger, I want me to you. And me I tell you, me in the street of Bronx, me there, me a uptown girl. Enough of them girl are not live no way.
Oh.
Enough of them party up girl are them for stop it. Cause it don't look good. I catch enough of them catch. Come pick it up because they miss payment.
Right, but enough of the nurse, them are hardworking people them who have them own things and not do them something there, you know?
Enough of them are do it. And honestly, Roger, me feel like enough of the nurse them something are going with them mental. Me not talk like register nurse, like from register nurse go straight down the line. All type of nurses in any area, CNA, HHA, you name it.
No, but why you thinking?
Because enough of them the right in them head.
No, but why you saying nurse though? Why you saying nurse specifically?
Because you're in the same field, and I'm talking about some of them too. So anybody in the nursing field with me know, me feel there's something wrong with them.
But you say something not right with the nurse.
Something right with them. Not for them something not right with. Me know a nurse right now, we are registered nurse, we are work. And a room she live in now. What she in a room, I don't know. And she lived there for years. Come America comes in at 20 years and she still live there.
No, it could be you never know what going on somebody's life, you know.
One room, Roger? We have a share kitchen and living room and bathroom?
You never know what is going on in somebody's life.
With them.
Suppose I tell you that I know people who do that and thing, who live in a one room and thing. and own properties in Connecticut, own properties in
No,
Jersey,
those are
and
people
thing.
who own place, yes, but them stay closer to them jobs so they rent one around. Me, I talk about people when I have nothing at all.
Eh,
Not even at Jamaica. Come on.
yeah, boy, yeah, still not know what going on in them life, make
You
them
know what's going on in
stay.
them life. Trust me, I believe. I know what's going on in their life. But them need to stop it. Them need to stop rent people place and don't have money. That's all me I say. And give
Well,
me
yeah,
headache. Lie down in the people house about the AC, about current, all the everything, and at the same time, on not pay rent, on put stress on the people and brain, on drain them energy, on if stop it. Anywhere I buy. And
all
yes,
right,
my mad
yeah,
because I know people we are go through the stress. I supposed to be mad. And I'm a
right,
woman. So yes, I'm going to be mad. Good night, Roger. Them
all
keep
right now.
you know.
Blessings, man, cool. Well, the opinion of Roger on this matter is that I would think that in every profession you have a diversity of personalities, you know. I perhaps I'm just not inclined to make these blanket statements about nurses, but I see the point she's making about people who do these things, who go around and in a parasitic way exploit the system's loopholes to the detriment of landlords, and so forth and thing. And again, usually them something at the only happen to nice people. That is the sad part of it. That the people them who do them something, them only do it to nice people who them can get with. Because at the same token, me know people who rent property and whatever who based on who them is and based on who people know who them is, nobody would even think for go fuck with them way because them know what is what. Them know so them can't try that with them people there. So the people who them do it with is a nice people them. Isn't that that's sad, but it's a reality that you have to acknowledge and then navigate around it appropriately. That people who juggle them with predators and exploiters, they don't mess with people who them know are going to lick them down or have the links for page them or somebody roll up on them. Them not do them something. Them do it with people them know them can butt up and get away with and things like that. Nice people. Yeah, so you have to be careful with them something, Because again, I see people try that with certain people and once them know what is what, them fly out of that quick. And them thing there, don't you know who for frighten, as we say in Jamaica, Unfortunate. Yeah. Our people remember now, what make Raga come here so every day come do this? The subscribers, right? So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel over here, you can do so now. See the subscription star there at the bottom of your screen with the circle around it, right? You just click that and you subscribe and you're supporting the channel, okay? And at the same time, you get access to subscribers' lives only, sub-lives only, lives only for subscribers that can be very saucy and peppery. And the outer the sub-live, them beer vibes and things, see? Anyway, I could juggle right now and take some more. So subscribe. Subscribe now. All who not subscribe yet and you can subscribe, you can subscribe. Subscribe right now. Just click the star with the circle at the bottom of the screen. And yeah, Tass, I saw that you extended your subscription for 6 months. Go you. All right? And things, see? Watch your right. Yeah, we have a sub live tomorrow. We should have a tomorrow. Wait. No. Tomorrow. Yeah, Wednesday, yeah. Greetings. Hello. 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 I would have put a blue crown up on man head. Hello. Let's see an answer. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna oh snap. Okay. Alright, just empty this first. Yeah man, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna what's tomorrow's sub-live topic? I mean, I don't know yet. It's something to do with sex. Out of the sub-live tomorrow after the show. Out of the sub-live tomorrow after the show. Angie, what are you ready for tomorrow sub-live? Antasha, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Blessings and respect. Right? Big up yourself. Blessings and respect. Angie, what are you ready for tomorrow sub-live? Oh, you ready, so? How? Angie says she ready. Done. Yeah. All right. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Craigton, Japina Ragashanti birthday party. Proper thing tomorrow. Done. So the thing set. Yeah. Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party, people. Get there. See it? Alright. Oh. Somebody I try sell me something this. So. Nah. Oh, cool. See it? All right, come up in the box. Come up in our box. KK say my birthday is the 8th. All right, September the 8th. Kimberly said late check-in and thing and whatever. Yes. Kimberly go look for me some man there and just a come back and things. See it there? So it going on. Well, you have to do, you know, Kimberly. And the boss say if I come check him, you have to come check him, you know. You see it? I see it there. See it there. Kimberly said, same way, so. Kitty said, my daughter is the 20th. I am September 6th, but the party is on the 20th. So, the party is keeping on your daughter's birthday, so she need to turn up, though. Tell your daughter to come celebrate her birthday at the party. Antoinette will be celebrating her birthday at the party and thing. Antoinette, I celebrate her birthday at Ragabash and things. So all of the nurse, them who juggle with Antoinette, make sure say on a forward. All right? Make sure on a forward. Kitty say I wash belly. Oh, she a 9. Okay, she can't come to the party, she a 9. What that? Kimberly girl, I've been waiting for you. I fell asleep on Thursday before the sub live start. Nah, man, on the sub live, this nice Thursday, man. Now, what I like with the sub live, them know, you know, more people are calling, you know, and I talk up with something with them and things, see? Yeah. A bad people, something, you know, unruly people, something, you understand? Yeah, you know, the subscribers live, them and thing, you know, so people free up and say what them want to say. Yeah, them thing they go on, you know. And I like that more people are link up and I talk up with something, you know, the subscribers live, them, you know. See? All right, everybody, may ask you if you do me a favor. Just run the heart me. All who know if you do the heart me already, go ahead and do it. All right, and if you don't know if you do it, may I tell you if you do it now. It's a TikTok thing, people, so just go ahead and do it, right? You see right where you see my name on your device? Oh, Margaret, big up. All right. You say, see people that do it, they can't know if you do it. All right, so you say right where you see my name, where you see my big head and my big nose, right? That's you see that orange heart there, the orange heart right beside my name. I don't want to confuse you, like how cavity get confused, right? Right beside my name. right? The orange heart. Just press the orange heart and follow and do what I tell you to do, all right? It's called a heart me, okay? And it just helps to build up the rank of my channel in TikTok, all right? So everybody do that. Rasta Brown, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, the orange heart right beside my name on your device. Just touch the orange heart there and follow what it say, and you complete a heart me. DJ Roger, what a number you have beside your name, DJ Roger? I must say that year that you're born, but it's an interesting number though. Right, but you must proud of a number if you put it beside the name so big and bold on TikTok though. Yeah, it seems so. Yeah, man. I want to say the year where you're born. All right, we work with it. Mine another year that you're born, you know, and there's a different reason why you put that name there, you know, DJ Roger. DJ Roger, 69. DJ Roger, 69. Well, we're going to say that year that you're born. But somebody, PUBG Hunter said, DJ Roger, good number, me G. PUBG is the best number in the country, though. Eh? He said that was a good year. Boy, big up all that. What the hell was that? Goddess, big up yourself, you know. Goddess Athena. I see that. Roger. Raga. What's your birthday wish? What's my birthday wish? I don't know, man. I mean, really. Oh, what's my birthday wish? For you to come to my party. Yeah, that's my birthday wish. Come to my party, come have a good time at my party. That is my birthday wish. God's chosen. His birthday wish is a 69. Yeah, that too. I'm joking. I don't know no phone or running by that, you know. You see, yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. I don't love the arms house, man. Yeah, man. I don't love all of them sitting there door. Yeah, I don't love all of them sitting there door. Yeah, I remember when Alien said, on your mark, get set, go. Yeah. Yeah, no. Raga, can I get a dance when you never finish? When I'm one, you know? I don't know, you never finish, so I say, when I'm at the party. Yeah, you can get a dance. Why not? Yeah. But what kind of dance? You can dance. Now when you ask to dance and you can't dance, you know, right? What kind of dance, you know? I look a shake foot dance, or wind up dance, or press up the something dance, or, you know, Shelly say lap dance. I don't know if she know if I do lap dance. Cookie Monstress says a slow wine she want. What if she can't manage a slow wine? Sexy Gigi say, I can slow jam. Slow jam. Jam. Slow jam. When you hear them say jam, you know, that you know, lover, you know. Yeah, man, that dancer can. Dr. Anika Ayano. Today is my wife, Nadia's birthday. You Virgos, boy, I tell you, LOL on a full of slackness. Right through. Right through. Right through. Yeah, man, Virgos are slack. Most of the time in a classy way, though, you know. We're slack or whatever. I can't get raunchy and crazy and thing or whatever, but HRH bingo. You know, so you post that all the while, so me I ignore you. HRH bingo, what that. You post that all the while, you know, so me I ignore you. Why you do that? Eh? Why you post that all the while, so me I ignore you? Eh? Why you touchy and sensitive so for your attention and thing and whatever, eh? Why you do that? In HRH, why you do that all the while? But answer, no. You that not work with me. Me don't know where you post, but you go tell me something for answer you now, so it sound like bad up now, so me not go do it now. All right? That not work with me. You know, tell me for answer you. Yeah, that not go work, you know. Raga, all of us are like that with you. No. 99% of the people over here, them could even whatever, them post something and if me not respond, that don't even bother them. You know, they don't even bother them. But you have a few people, you know, they want to answer me and look, and some of them gone over my YouTube page and I say, yes, only certain people in pay attention over there because me I talk to him and them, you know, 1,000 people over here, you know. And I saw them, you know, HR, it's at the party, I just want one wine and I'm good. I got you. All right? I got you. But yo, you and me I say do, you know. HRH, if the wine never go and the wine are for good, you hear me? And I eat that wine, you know. You can't come here and say no, and I make them big tart there. And then when you get the wine, no, I'm like a play dolly house thing I go on, all right? But wine you want, a wine you have to go fling up. You hear me I say? HRH, you have to go press up with the wine. You have to go press up with something upon me. I make me feel your strength and thing. You hear me I say? Yeah, I could feel the fatness and whatever. You can't in a chat and run up your mouth and I say one wine you want or whatever. And then you come with some look a fenke, you idiot wine and thing. When I depend on something there, yeah. So make sure, say, yes, it's true. You come here, so come say that now. We don't want to waste no wine right now, you know. Right? Oh, you mean, Lana, I make them know, yes. When we in a certain zone, the tone get different. The tone get different, though. Yeah. HRH, me dance broke off your back. No, me not dance one day with you, you know. Because that song, they too energetic, right? I know. I be excitement that conscience they go on with. You understand? The conscience, you know, if you are going with look at something now, you have you look at dancehall CD you play now, and you're open night, you know, you can run the conscience there, you know. But me no. Sexy Rush. I will see if you can manage. Yeah. But HR, it's a rag, I'm a good like that. Bombard star. Hear them tough chat there. HRH. Bingo say, rag, I'm a good like that. Hey, only hear them tough chat there. All right. What's your strength? Yeah. Ray say, careful how you run in, rag. Me if I tell you, don't. Because you don't know, say me and Mr. Dom have nothing to prove, you know, and this is my thing there, you know. I have nothing to prove. Yeah. Nothing to prove. Raga, you have to go give out number. Go give out number. Then even if me not go screech you and give out the number, you go post it there so now say me go give out number. Now beat me up then, man. Yeah, HR full of big chat down. Yes, so people can call in. You know. Now, you know, so I need to work with the calling number, you know, yeah, because I need to get back a number so I can call, you know. What Chumpy say? I guess I don't look on pics anymore. What that mean? What that mean? When people me have to tell you, I never feel well today, And I never did I go do the show, I must say, yo, here we are going. Just step forward and juggle, and make it happen, I'm going to do it, you see it? And feel a little better, First class cure, Raga, you better rest up for all them wine you're about to get. Yeah. 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 I'm telling you, remember, Raga is all, man, I'm nothing for prove, Okay. HRH, big up yourself, man. Blessings and respect, man. See? Raga, I want to make you lean up so already. The woman, them a pressure you from. Yo. God, I want to can beat me, sir. We're going to test your waistline. Hear ya? Yeah. I hope you don't faint. Watch ya. I be a tough child. I'm telling you from now, I have nothing to prove to nobody here. I'm not trying to know that. I have nothing to prove for nobody. I'm gonna kill up yourself something. Oh, I'm telling you that already. And I'm my style, and you're gonna kill up yourself thing and whatever, right? See, Dr. Mac DC there, right? Dr. Mac DC, you're not gonna kill up yourself something. I mean, he's a nice and easy person, I mean, he's a cruise, cruise, you see? There will be a lot of proposition will be going around before and at the party. Oh, really? Yeah. And that's going to go on. Yeah, proposition between on. Yeah, man, that happen to Ragabash all the time, man. People make proposition to one another and thing. Well, and enough people meet the people who them there with a Ragabash, Yeah, man. Enough people meet them man and them woman and them husband and them wife. A Ragabash, man, yeah. See? All right. Yeah, man. Anybody who want them ticket for Ragabash and thing, you just text me at the following number. Would have look a problem with the phone and thing, but it's out with Verizon and thing, right? Again, if you want your tickets for Ragabash and I'll send them to you, just text me at the following number. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. Sexy Gigi, Ragam, want you give me the cool and deadly style. Yeah, that style I like, And that one, yeah. The kid up thing, that's nice and easy, you understand? 516 500 0210. Anybody you need a Ragabash ticket, just link me right there, Dr. Nika said, boy, I wish I was still on the East Coast, would have definitely passed through. I want to tell you, say you have people that fly over from California come, Yeah, you have people that come from the Bay Area, you have people that come from LA, and you have people that come from down San Diego side, you understand? You have people that come up from Florida, you have people that come from England. Craig Tanner flying from England for the party, See? Yeah, UK. So Craig Tanner, man, buy him ticket already and not. Well, him plane ticket and everything lock up already. The man then miss the party, So we give thanks. But again, if you need your tickets, just link me at 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. And so my niece coming to your show from Canada. Big up your niece, you know. From Canada. Big up all the Canadian link them are forward, you know. Yeah, we have some people that come in from Toronto and different cities in Canada, you know. Yeah, man. Respect and honor for their support there, you know. All right. So yeah, we're going right now. As I telling us before the show, I never feel too well. And think kind of under the weather a little bit, but you know. See, the Romy Robbins is my plane ticket buy already too. Romy I come up from Florida. Florida, you come up from Romy Florida, right? A Florida or Georgia? Hey, Romy, a Florida or Georgia? Yeah, man, there are people that come in from all over, man. Dr. Max, if your address come today, hope you try it and make sure say it sit down by you, as we say in Jamaica, right? Make sure it sit down by you. That is Jamaican term, meaning make sure it fits you perfectly. Romina come from North Carolina, all right. See it there. Dr. Anika, happy birthday. Big up yourself, man. Thanks for that. Well, the birthday is this Saturday, man. I see me can come over here, come have a look at party. We're going to play some music this Saturday, so we see how that go, all right? I'm not sure yet, I'm not 100. But if that got me, just come in Saturday and just nice of a thing, see? Dr. Mac, you're sending gifts, but you're not seeing it on the screen? Oh, I don't know what, that's a TikTok issue. All right? That is a TikTok issue. Stephanie Chung. Yes, please. Wait, oh, that's a beautiful swan right there. Queen Nash, big up. Stephanie, what you say? Look at juggling Saturday, no? Put together a playlist and thing and just kick back. Get some Baileys. Okay, Saturday. Probably like, you know, I don't know, like her. Yeah, probably, I don't know, start, you know. We see how it go, you know. Chef Lotian, big up. Chef Lotian Kitchen, big up and thing. Large up yourself, you know, people. Yeah, man. You know, no, so me Chef Lotian up America all the while and thing go by. Me look at food them up there and thing. Chef Lotian out there, America, you know, near to Springfield on Merrick and near to Springfield Boulevard, near to that corner there. And things, seeing. Big up yourself, you know, Chef Lotian. All right. Good food dish. I like them have the diversity, right? First of all, when you go Chef Lotian now, first of all, as you go in, the first meal you always say a chunky meal, right? Chumpy. You know chumpy favorite meal, right? Are the pork. A chumpy love a pork, you know. So as you go in, a jerk pork there. But them always have stew pork too. So Chumpy always I eat two different type of pork, you know. I him say pork to him thing. You understand? So him have him jerk pork and him have him stew pork. And Chef Lotian always have stew chicken, you know. Them all have curry goat, curry chicken. But them have a next chicken where them always have to my daughter like it. It named Barbie Fry. I hope I come know about that one day. And a Chef Lotian, I know about that one day, you know, Barbie Fry. My daughter loves it, you know. It's a Barbie Fry. And then me have which day you have stew peas again? Which day you have stew peas again, Chef Lotian? Dr. Max, a Barbie Fry body, yeah. Which day you have stew peas again, Chef Lotian? My daughter loved that. I find me come know about Barbie Fry. A Chef Lotian me know about Barbie Fry, you know. I mean, you know, it's Barbie Fry is actually not common out there. Wednesdays and Fridays, yeah. Stew peas there Wednesday and Friday, Chef Lotian stew peas. But I prefer me come know about Barbie Fry. Me never eat Barbie Fry at Jamaica. It did there. It just never common, you know. And then, you know, you look at fish, them, you know, you steam fish and them something there, you escovy. Barbie fry come on a Jamaica. Me never have Barbie fry at Jamaica. It's a task of me too, Raga. Me never have Barbie fry at Jamaica. Barbie fry come on a Jamaica? No. But is it common? You would have said Barbie fry come on, it come on now. But back in the day, Barbie fry it come on a Jamaica. It never come on a Jamaica. Barbie fry never come on a Jamaica. It come on now. It never come on a Jamaica. Barbie fry never, see people that must say no, the Barbie fry never did come on a Jamaica. It never, Barbie fry, fried chicken did come on a Jamaica. Barbie fry, me I talk about. Fried chicken did come on, and barbecue chicken, which was really baked chicken for Jamaicans, you know. But Barbie fry, that never did come on a Jamaica. Do you know about Pepsi chicken? No, sir. No, sir, I don't know about Pepsi chicken. My daughter loves Barbie fry, you know. Right, so she would say, yo, can you get me some Barbie fry from Chef Lothian, please? Spiritually blessed, I not even know one name Barbie fry. You know, I don't know what Pepsi chicken is. Never had it. What a chicken cooking a Pepsi? You know what I'm saying? Dr. Max says she hear about it. I don't know about a Pepsi chicken there. Killer Miller said him just recently hear about Barbie fry. I tell you, enough away we never really. I mean, it there a long time. It there a foreign a long time, but I'm foreign. Me come know about Barbie fry. Even when me just come a foreign, it never popular. And this is in the 90s and whatever. It never popular them time there. Right? I want to tell us a Barbie fry kind of kick off the last 15 years, 15, 20 years. It really take off on there everywhere, you know. I just, yeah, like 15 years or so, you know. It really take off and it become like a, because you have some meal where big deal for we in Jamaica, you know, and it up here, but it not up here enough. Look on a meal like, all right, on you notice say cow foot, right? Cow foot there, you know, and has been and then there for a long time, you know. But cow foot no cook every day, you know. And even worse, cow skin. Most restaurants don't cook cow skin. I don't know why. Which I bet you say, can somebody describe Barbie fry? Well, it is as the name suggests, you know. It's a combination of fried chicken we get barbecue or barbecue chicken we fry. I don't know. No. Cow skin. Only cow skin soup. But me notice a cow skin no cook. Cow skin no cook up here. I want to know. All right, hold on. Am I correct in saying in Jamaica, cow skin did more common than cow foot? What is that? Is that a correct statement? Say in Jamaica, cow skin did more common than cow foot. Me wrong or me right? So people say yes, right? See it there? Say yes, because no, cow skin did more common than cow foot at Jamaica. I don't know why, but people would cook cow, you know, we quicker cook cow skin than cow foot. Like more cow skin cook at Jamaica than cow foot. But I come up here and in the Jamaican settings, you hardly see cow skin cook up here. I mean, love cow skin, but you hardly see cow skin cook up here. But you see cow foot, and cow foot no common either. It not common. It about long time and thing, but you know how stew chicken cook every day, curry goat cook every day, oxtail cook every day, cow foot no cook every day. Yes, cow skin was easier to get than cow foot in Jamaica, but I don't know why, but up here, apparently cow foot easier to get than cow skin. I don't know why. I don't really know them something. No, but last week me get cow skin and cow foot from Jamaica. Okay, that is from Jamaica. Raga, I'll make you the cow skin with beans and rice, black sugar, lemon. Oh, that sounds good. Colin said, big up Munchie out of Hero Circle with the good cow skin soap. Munchie out of Hero Circle. Somebody a big up your cow skin soap. Auntie. Yo, when we go to Jamaica, them could have deal me. I go back, go buy crab down there, you know. Okay. I go to Hero Circle, go buy crab. Me know. What's your name? Right? Yeah. People out there who still right name there, you know. Yeah. Alice out there, you know, Alice out there back and thing, but other people out there who sell it and thing, And I'm saying she's not there anymore. No man, she come back one day, but I don't know I'm saying. She come back one day, man. Alice she come back one day. No man, the people them clean, man. You know, you see that incident now, whatever, then shape them up, man, and thing and whatever, you know. So more support them people and thing and make them build back and thing. The cow skin jello. You know that I had that one time. I really did have that one time, and it was my auntie who make it, Aunt Bibsy make it cow skin jello, yeah. And them said that good for you, you know. Them said that gummy something that good for your juice, you know. Yeah. All right. But people big and serious though. Yeah, when I want for my birthday, I want to come a party. Yeah, you know, I'm a big TamFam, you know, a big family of TamFamers at my party. That would just make my day. I'd be happy. I'd be like, I got the best birthday that may have, you know. My mother teach me how to make it to a cinema and put. I don't know how it make, but my auntie make it and it nice. But my auntie make juice out of anything. Me never know say you could have yam juice, dasheen juice, you could have banana juice. My auntie make juice out of anything we produce from tree or from the ground. My auntie make juice out of it. But me say anything. My auntie make chocho juice. Chocho juice. You know chocho juice? Yeah. Pumpkin juice. Yeah, man. Breadfruit juice. Aunt Bibsy, man. God bless her. Right? Aunt Bibsy make juice. You know, you give her a blender. Yeah, give her a raga. One day I'll make it to a raga bash. Earning, don't worry yourself, man. Respect, man. One day you make it, man, and thing is a hard work in general and things. See, we know the thing go down. Yeah, man, my auntie make juice out of anything, out of any. From it grew up on tree, I grew up, you know, ground produce. My auntie will make juice out of that. Aunt Bibsy. When me and Bibsy bust out with the yam juice, I was like, what? Yeah, but she make yam juice. Yeah. Aloe vera juice, they bought long time, you know. Squeaky say, Raga, me ready September 20 in fine style, suit clean and ready. A beer live Squeaky I do from what day, you know. Kalia, my father used to make the juice them without sugar. Give me nice and refreshing. Yeah, my auntie sweeten all our juice them though. Even though when me drink juice now, me not sweeten them. right? And I really sweeten juice now, you know. So what about pum pum juice? Oh, you not really sweeten that either, you know. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was a joke. I have read, okay? I have read. Because I know enough on around here and say, see there. Oh, you know that, Raga? Yeah. Sweeten it with condensed milk and pineapple juice. No, pineapple juice, you're not sweeten it, you know? Oh, I guess if you eat pineapple juice like the person was saying, then you don't have to sweeten it, you know? That tastes like pineapple long time. People want to see where Riri, right? Riri said, no, man, it tastes like pineapple long time. Eh? I saw it, Ray. And that a go on. Eh? Riri, know there's something, you know. Yeah, mango juice a long time, something, man. Stephanie Chung. Mango juice a long time, something, man. Tambourine juice a long time. For tambourine juice, nice, you see? But you have to get the right type tambourine for them, because you know, it's my tambourine name so alakawa. Breadfruit juice, my auntie make that. I wasn't a fan of it. I mean, never really a fan of the breadfruit juice and the dashing juice them what she make, you know. And callaloo juice, cabbage juice. She made them. She made them something the callaloo juice and cabbage juice. But I come back, come see them, I sell callaloo juice in a bottle. You know, tastes like how my auntie make it homemade, but you can't see them just flavor it with the callaloo, really, you know, because it's not really straight raw callaloo juice, you know. But I see them buckle it up here. I don't know if it did take a Guinea juice. Nick say him drink pop chow juice. Sash Kim say she drink aki juice. I've had cashew juice. Yeah, I've had cashew juice. Yeah. Cashew juice, nice. No, I drink cashew juice because I have a juicer, but it's really I have two juicer and a milk maker. The milk maker, it milk cashew, you know, and it that now you have to it helps when you sweeten that with a little not sugar. What is it name again? With this little thing name again? It's a natural sweetener, man. It's no, not honey. It's a thing like, no, not agave. No, not monk fruit. Jesus, so not agave, not stevia. No, stevia not really good for you. No, something. Dates. But yeah, if you have molasses, that's even better if you do it molasses. But you know, it's milk, you know, it's cashew milk. So yeah, probably molasses is not the right thing. But if you put some dates with it and think, perfect, you know. So that's so it's just that when you make milk with that, you have to drink it within a day or two, you know. You don't want to keep it because it starts spoil after a while, you know. Squeaky say, Aki juice, nobody ever make lie them a blood clot teller. That's Squeaky say. Squeaky say them too lie. No, Aki juice. No. Squeaky Bill, man. Jamaicans, they make juice out of anything. I want me to tell Squeaky, you don't know that? Eh? They make juice, Jamaicans make juice out of anything, Squeaky. For a long time. I say, oh, you understand why I'm right, Raga. It just makes sense all the time. Cucumber juice has become a staple, you know. Cucumber juice, they're all over now. Cucumber juice are common, so all over. But again, yeah, you go in most Jamaican restaurants, you can get cucumber juice and them something there, but them a do it the old school way. Them sweeten them, man. Like carrot juice. You know, we grew up and them a tell us a carrot juice good for we, but the way they make carrot juice, you have beer sugar in it, you know. So you have to be careful, you know. Remember, you know, the sugar thing at that a beat way, you know. The sugar and the insulin thing there, right? You know, remember, every time you eat, whatever you eat turn into sugar, right? And it increases your glycemic index. And then you wait name the raise, right? The sugar level raise. And then when your sugar level raise, where your pancreas produce insulin for bring it down. Again, whatever you eat, it's just that some things worse than some. So if you eat donut and cake and whatever, those are worse. If you eat mango and banana, it's better than the donut and thing, but them they're really sweet too. But if you eat cucumber now and them something that it's better than the mango and the banana. But then if you eat bread and rice, that's worse. Them they're the worst, right? Flour dumpling, the worst. But boiled banana, boiled yam, better than dumpling and rice. But it no matter what you eat, it'll turn into sugar. When it turns into sugar, it raises your glycemic index. It raises your sugar level. When your sugar level raises, the pancreas kick in and send out the insulin and bring it down. When it take time bring it down, usually over a 4-hour span. But for enough of we, even the 4 hours is not enough because when you have so much rice in them big, when you see them levels, the way you see them people that have out there, the doctor them have out there, you know, is it don't really apply to our Jamaican setting because we eat so much more. We eat, you know, if you see the sharings and the way it apply to the average Jamaican meal with them sell all of them restaurants or whatever, bigger than that. Right? And big cup of this with juice where we are drink and the whole heap of rice and dumpling and thing or whatever. So if you really think about it, you know, you just say, you have to give we like after we have a good meal, it's like a 6-hour level for your blood sugar level come back down. And again, what bring it down? Your insulin level. But what happens is that people always are snack and eat in between too, don't? And then if your blood sugar up and the insulin a pump, but your blood sugar keep up because of how much food you eat enough. And you eat, allow your blood sugar level to go down because you eat again, so it stay up. So the insulin a pump out. And then now, when your blood sugar stay up there now, and enough insulin, the pancreas can't produce enough insulin to bring it back down. That is what you call insulin resistance. And when you have that insulin resistance, from the type of things them where you eat, rice, dumpling, patty, cake, pudding, and them something there, and a lot of sweet drinks, and how often you eat, right? So you not allow your blood sugar to come down. And your sugar content too, right? So you have the things that were turning out sugar, but your sugar content cause insulin resistance. And what they must show is that every frigging disease where you say, oh, they will beat people, it is fueled by insulin resistance. That is what they're finding on. Every disease, the fuel feed is insulin resistance. Your diet, where you eat, and how often you eat. So basically, you have to go train yourself to only eat as much as you need. But again, it's a mental thing, because even though me have problem, I train myself all the time. Let me give you a simple example. When I grew up, my mother, typical Jamaican mother, eat half the food. Eat half the food. Don't eat half the food. Eat half the food, man. It make you strong and healthy. And that me grew up with, Eat half the food. It make you strong and healthy. People say it took me a while to realize that I had a psychological fixation on thinking that I have to finish my meals. Like it's a natural thing to finish my meals, no matter what size meal I get. Right? Somehow we just eat and then put on the food and whatever. For many of us separately, we just feel so we have to finish the meal and we don't even realize what type of conditioning is going on there. And did I need to, all these years, did I need to finish the meal? No. And when I look back, I said, enough time my belly full, I don't need no more food, but I just feel like I need to finish the food. And then the more food you eat now, the more it mess up your insulin level, you understand? And as I tell you again, the lifestyle what we lead up here in America is not what we did used to at Jamaica in terms of what we burn off, what we eat and we get the energy there, but we did a walk, we did a walk more at Jamaica. We did a work more. People did a hand wash. Floor did a clean with coconut brush. Right? Yard a sweep. Right? We were just so much more active. So much more active. We walk go shop, we walk come back. We walk go to the market, we walk come back and whatever. And it was just a natural lifestyle for we're just more active and whatever, And it's different now. It's different now. So we have adjusted our lifestyle, but we have not adjusted our diet. To correlate with our adjusted lifestyle, Carry water, them something there. Yeah. So I have to make some adjustment this, I understand. I mean, I couldn't depress or anything, but all I know now in the 50s, on the 60s, and even late 40s and whatever. Late 40s and 50s people and 60s, and I realize that only in an age group now where every month on average, only hear about somebody who dead. Every month on average, every month. Some people are every 2 weeks or so. When you hear about one schoolmate who somebody who used to go school with dead. You saw someone who used to go to church with dead, somebody who used to work with dead. Somebody who your mother know dead, or somebody who your brother used to par with dead, or your sister used to so and so, right? When we pay attention to them, something there, Raga, you're going too far, early 40s. Unfortunately, yeah, 40s, honestly. I mean, it's not as bad as 50s, but 40s too. Something that, listen to me. When you hear say boy picnic are dead from in them 20s from taking Viagra, you're like, what? What do you mean? Did I take Viagra and them, what do you mean? At different time we're living in people in them 20s are dead from energy drinks. Like it's not uncommon for people dead from energy drinks. Candy Espinosa, don't do that in the live, you hear? We don't open that door, here. All right? Don't do that in my life. We don't do that something over here. Don't want that door to come open. All right. Yeah, man. So, Take care of yourself, man. Yeah, see the London high schoolmate or whatever, so take care of yourself, man, all right? Anyway, people, look, reasoning we're going with and thing or whatever, I go, right, yeah, I have this, I don't like take medication, you know, I just have this headache, man, I beat me, man, that one up, you know, the one up here, so. The headache up here, so which one? Because all of the headache, they mean something, you know. So the one up here, so which one? Eh? The one up here, so which one? I want their stress. I stress I don't want that, no. Stress and pressure, it feel more like pressure. And tension, no. Chrissy said is a pum pum idea. I have no idea what a pum pum headache is, you know. I've never had a pum pum headache before. Probably have asked her from squeaky or chumpy or whatever. I've never had a pum pum headache. And Afro Latina, big up yourself, you know. I have no idea what a pum pum headache is. And I'm not so sure I want to even know what a pum pum headache is. I don't want to know what a pum pum headache is. I have no desire to have one, nor do I want to know what one is like. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to Chumpy and Squeaky and Colin Click and Ernie Choir and them people who know about them something there, you know. I choose to remain ignorant about that thing. I don't want to know what Karen when they say that headache means that you need an oil change. Well, that may be true. Because if you're not getting any, that means that you need some kind of release, don't it? And because I am not getting any, then perhaps that's where the headache come from, though. Yeah, I'm not get none. Because I ain't getting any, you know. I not get any right, you know, so. No, that's it. I just need to rest, actually. It's a pretty one, Queen. Yes, you jump in right there, so that is it. That is it. That's the rule. You went 13 years without any. 13 years without any. No, Nads, we're not run it down, you know, but nobody said anything about committing suicide here, okay? Calm down. Nads, what kind of 13 years without any? You must be mad, man. That can't happen, man. You're mad. Eh? We're not running it down, but we ain't another 13 years without that something there. You must be mad, man. First class queue. I don't believe you, Raga. No, I'm not getting any, but I'm not run it down. I'm a good man. I'm a good man. Squeaky say him rather buy it than for go 13 years without it. Oh, you mean Squeaky? If you have to buy it, yeah, Squeaky. No, I just need rest. Marcia good, I said she goes 7 years without it. But Marcia, you use your toys though, right? Or your fingers, right? Shirley, man, but she had 2 years. Nikki, I run from it. You see it? You see it? Typical Jamaican statement. You run from it. Why me have to run from it? Why a man can't just say, no, I run down them things, they were good. Eh? Why it have to be a run from it? Why has something now if you test you like say, you know, you do something wrong, you know? You know, you see the psychs with them sometimes. Run from it, don't. It's like that test your masculinity, they say your man with this, so, you know? You understand? HRH, 6 months is the longest for you. Yeah. Nah, man. Sometimes some people just good, man. Yeah. Christina said, I could have never. Cookie Man just said, fear longest of 1 year. Hell. Jelly said, I went so long without it one time, I lost hearing in my right eye. Yeah, that's a long time, you know, when you lose hearing in your right eye. That's funny. Yeah, genuine. So me on a piece of drought, I tell you, nothing I running that. I tell you, say, yo, not even my eye a year good again. You understand what I say? A long time that, you know. Raga, me live at Georgia, pre-damage there. What that mean? What? Nothing I run a Georgia? Nah, man, Georgia people, what? Georgia people, busy, man. Just you have to be careful down there, you know, because, yeah, no, a Georgia, the woman, them say, man, them short, and when the man, them are debout and thing, them no, it's like them man, they not too pre the woman, them, you know. A Georgia, be a problem, them say them have done them, man. Yeah. And so the look man, them a do road a Georgia, them a live like king because old man shot down there. Ruthie said, nothing I go have a pum pum a Georgia. It's a different thing I do. Squeaky, the people, them say, you don't get nothing. Squeaky post and say, who I go sorry for Squeaky before the year done because winter coming up. Chrissy Aquarius, Raga, I just bought my first rose Monday and it ain't shit. You say, your rose ain't shit. But the rose now do nothing feel. But the people them say the rose bad, man. Yeah? You see, when Squeaky say that now, right in our inbox him gone, you know, me I tell you, you know, me not ask you, Squeaky say Chrissy post that Squeaky, him probably in our inbox already. Well, on the Chrissy, the rose not work. The rose isn't good. Yeah, but Master Good, I said the rose bad or something wrong with Chrissy. The pretty one queen said the rose bad, Raga. Yeah, enough woman swear by the rose and said the rose turn up. But Chrissy said, I don't like the experience. Mind you not use it right, you know, Chrissy. Chrissy, what you need now is a man for just use the rose pan you, you know. And then after I'm done use the rose pan you, then service you, you know. But mix it up and things, see? Christina, send up a rose. Sexy Gigi said, the rose not give me no chance to think. 2 seconds on me. When you say, because usually when you do that something, you can imagine something. Imagine a man do something or imagine something or whatever. And the rose don't give you no time for even think about that. You know, 2 seconds and pop off. Ja, no. Pretty one queen said, the rose a mash up Chrissy nerves. Well, Chrissy, I don't know what go on with you, you know, but Dream Chaser, I say, I true, or you know, I true, Dream Chaser. Chrissy, I don't know what go on with you, you know, but the rose are the first. A whole heap of them out there, And the rose are the first one, I see so much woman say, So many women said, nah, man, the rose work, man, and it turn up, you know. See, the Christina said, couple times she nearly have to dial 911 because the rose noise. Right? Chasing said, it look like she get a rose from Temu. Chrissy, be careful, you know, because me say about 4 different type of rose them have, you know. Don't believe I one kind here. Right? And don't get the Temu or the Shine rose, you know. Eh, yeah, quality, though. Them say look like a flower you use, Chrissy. Ruthie says she had juggled with the bullet. They don't know the bullet a long time thing, you know. Sexy Gigi says she have 2 different type of rose. You understand? We're going to give her some rose of Ragabash, you know, so I'm going to line up for that, though. Rose, I give her a Ragabash. Oh, and by the way, people, remember, next year, the Ghana trip is on. The TamFam travel, the Ghana trip is on, and they're only interested in it. And I think at this point, we're going to do a Thailand trip in March. So March and April should be interesting travel years for next year, you know. Chrissy, what go on? See, people, you see that Chrissy, the Krissia, another ANC. So why so close? I saw it at work out, so work with it, because me I feel the Thailand trip did for doing on November, but I'm going to end up and do that by myself for certain reasons, certain logistics, you know. And then I'm going to say, even a small group, if we can bring a small group in March, you know. And then the Ghana trip in April. The Ghana trip is in April. The info for the Thailand trip is not yet up, but the info for the Ghana trip is there. It's at tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com. And you may say, like, the deadline for the first deposit for the Thailand trip is September 1st. You can just double up that for October 1st. So don't, you know, like for the Ghana trip. So there's a few spaces that we can still add to the Ghana trip, but we don't want it to be a big group, you know. So we have quite a few people already. In fact, I need to make sure the numbers now. tamfamtravel.com. That's where the information for the Ghana trip is. Okay, let me see what I'm going. I would recommend people to do the Thailand trip just for the food. Listen to me. At the first place me go, as a Jamaican who used to good food, at the first place me go, I would recommend just for the food alone. And they got nice beaches too, boy. Right? For the food and thing. And when I say food, I talk cook food and them natural food. Coconut, mango, and all them something them like Thailand is just like wow, you know. I mean, I was impressed, right? But we know about the thing with the woman, them man, and the lady boy, them and all them something. You understand that time? Yeah, but when you go there, you see say that overplayed, you know, depending on where you are, you know. But they're not into, like, everything over there is organic. They're not in the fake something, I think, by law. By law. And they cook really good. You know, I tell you, man, yo, Thai food when you get over here is not like when you're there at Thailand. You know, the food at Thailand is just awesome. And street food is a big thing over there. but it's regulated. So, you know, you go someplace and it's a street food, you have to be careful. Over there, the street food is very regulated and it's very transparent and you see everything and whatever. But by law, it is regulated. Yeah, man, very flavorful, man. I mean, man, tell you, the food at Thailand, like, it's to die for. I'm going back there in November by myself, so I'll be doing some lives from there and thing, you know, and that will set the stage for even a small group in March, you know. We'll see about that. Yeah, well, I have to be careful, man. I don't want nobody come. But I would suggest you be very careful when you eat street food in countries like India. It's really bad there, you know. Stuff that they're used to in some parts of India, street food, is like, yeah. Another place you have to be careful is in the Philippines. Mark, you know, you have to be careful anyway. You have to be careful in Jamaica. You're careful here in America, right? You know, but what I'm saying is in Thailand, they're very strict over there, you know, very strict over there, and it's regulated. And the street food, I don't like, one look bad, you know, like in Jamaica, yeah, man, set up something, yes, I set up something, yes, and I really saw it set up there, you know. In each area, like, you know, if you do like Sukhumvit in Bangkok or someplace around there, you will see people on the street, but they're regulated. Them have to have them license and them this and them that. But most of the street food in Thailand, it's in a designated setting. So there must a street food, you know, but you know, I look a mall, right? And it's outside or whatever. Or you drive and there's a great street food over here. So when you look, it's like when you look at area, but it's regulated, you know. Ruth, Raga, can I be your carry-on in November? Yeah, sure. I'll tuck you in my suitcase. Come on. All right, people, man, I want to lay down there now, you know. All right. I want to lay down. Now look, actually, this was a plan, you know, just a wrap, you know. Del Marine. No, man, Del Marine's a rat. In India, you have to be careful, man. I don't think you could get me eat street. If I ever go to India, I don't think you could get me eat street food over there because, you know, yeah, but Thailand, man. China, yeah, you have to be careful. Some parts of China, but there are other parts of China. Listen to me, people. I'm going to do a China trip at some point. Yo, China is trending big time. Yo, China got it going on, man. In different, not just Beijing, but in Chongqing, the other one was Zanji, this and that, Shanghai and them place there, whatever, you know, them, I want to do China. Wait, when was Naki B birthday? When was Naki B birthday, Christina? Oh, yeah, I said to me, I never know. I said, her birthday was Friday. What? Happy belated birthday, Naki B. Big up yourself, man. Seeing blessings. Yeah, I remember about that soup there in Infantry, you know. Naki B Squeaky is sending you happy birthday, all right? Okay, just so you know. I see they are sending it for you to Auntie. All right, I think I need some kind of tea. Yeah, some kind of tea right now, and yeah, and I'm going to take 2 Tylenol. When I like take them something there, you know. Yeah, man, I like take them something, but you don't know it. And I'm tired. And I sleep well at night time. All right, people, blessings, man. Veronique Empress said, pony tea, good for headaches. Has anybody ever had pony tea? Has anybody ever had pum pum tea? You say, no bad over here, no bad, you know? You don't know about pum pum tea, you know? Probably, Chumpy probably have it, you know? Ah, you see it right away, Rooty put Chumpy. Oh, God. God, right away, everyone Rooty run up and Chumpy name, you know? Yeah, Chumpy name is for call, though. Chumpy, that you going with, you a drink up the pum pum tea, though. Ain't Chumpy, that's your thing, they don't. Pum pum tea to your thing. Aye. Rub look a Vicks by my chest. Oh, God, that's, you know, she's Jamaican. All right, people, big up on yourself and thing. Before you leave, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Before you leave, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Dion, just follow the horse. Big up yourself, you know, all right? Chamomile tea, yeah, that is what I have, but I don't have any right now. I don't have any chamomile tea. I have no chamomile tea, but that would be awesome right now because chamomile tea is calming. And I just need to, let me tell you where, let me go in a sound I like where, listen this. Thing is calming and relaxing and thing, you see me? I like them something, you see me? You hear Queen of spa music. I might type of something of them there, you see me? And then you have R&B, you know? Yeah. Mellow thing then. Well, for those of you who would be watching this show over on YouTube, quite likely I would have had to cut out the songs that I just played, so you would not have heard them. But I just played some mellow, relaxing instrumentals. I just shared with the people and what I usually listen to before I leave. Okay. So again, that is for you guys who would be watching this on Thursday over YouTube at TamFam TV over YouTube, okay, which is my YouTube channel that has all my shows from over here, okay? All right. No, Squeaky, that was not soft metallic. Songs that I referred to as metal, it's soft rock. This is not soft metal. I think you meant to say instrumental. And that's what it was. Soft instrumental. All right. Thank you, Cassandra. I'm going to get my rest. I might talk to her tomorrow. Yeah. Blessings and respect.